Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. One tree. One tree, one tree. All right, Karen, for you, anything. All right? Anything for you. Since you say so, boss lady, all right? Change the 11 to 10. Change the 11 to 10. Karen, and we're good. And we have a working deal, all right? Y'all are so kind, all right? Thank you. Boy, you're nice, you know. You're just overly kind. You're just unnecessarily kind with no pleasant lies and thing. But I'm thankful because y'all are being nice, all right? I'll wait for the people and come in. Seeing Wagwan. Wagwan, how was your day been? Well, me just beard, my beard, you know, come off of the road and my beard, you know, so, yeah, I have my beard. Lover Girl said last night was especially amazing. Was last night good, Lover Girl? Well, Mr. Man come over, don't? You Lover Girl? Mr. Man come over. One done. All right, one done. Just DM me and send me a link or something, all right? Aquarian Goddess, big up. Lover Girl, oh, Mr. Man never come over. Why are you not seeing my Marcella, my T-E? What's that? I don't know. Eva Gay, before we start, can you sing for us, Raga, please? You know, someone tell me for Papi Show, done. What kind of sing for no? Christina, I don't know whether I want to sing like them, I know I can't sing. You know, I sing the whole I run off my platform and go and don't listen to me anymore. Blessed one, sing for us, please. What kind of sing? What do you mean? When I give me a direction, it's my shirt. It's more white man in my shirt, white man, and it's not my shirt, it's my towel. Yeah, Bill. You know, next time I wipe your hand in your shirt, I'm a towel. The go up, miss you one radio, Raga, big up, man. I say a word, man. Yeah, you know, see, then just chat too much, man. Chrissy, Chrissy I talk next time don't wipe your hand in your shirt. Even if I want white man in my shirt, I mean name Raga, my white man anyway, for me when I want white man. If you don't like it, you don't like it. You're brighty, Chrissy. No one just got to whip on my shirt, you know. All right, let it go, Avery. Don't sing it now, go on. Come on, I don't know where the singing thing come from today, no. Raga, yeah. I have to take a shower. Can't see Raga without my shower. Can't see Raga without my shower. I think that you meant to say, okay. Then I why you hide and drink. No, I'm not hide and drink nothing. This is just coffee. It's Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. That's what I'm drinking. I want to big up everybody. Everybody big up on yourself. All who are rolling and thing and whatever. You see it at the phone. I do it, you know, people out there. How long must start now? Probably like, I don't even know. And like 400 odd people there already, you know. See the dance sound if you subscribe and join the TamFam. Subscribe. 95 out of 200 minutes. Raga, why am man that you part with for more than 12 years feel like them can determine what you do still? I saw it go. I saw some of them turn. Raga, what's wrong with your shirt? Here or so? Nah, just sweating a little bit. AC is on, but Lord, my heart. Diva girl, big up yourself, man. Shanette, where I go down? Jacqueline Harris. Oh, you not talk to me. Awa. No. I'm going to have to talk to almost 500 people. I have to talk to everybody singularly. Come beat me. Come drape me up and box me. Ragamount shine and him shirt wet up. So he said that means something that if my mouth shine, if my mouth shine and my shirt wet up, something did I go on done, some little slurping. Yo, and them say me out harder. Someone know more out harder than me, you know. Once you hear match out that thing, shine lips and wet shirt. Ay, boy. Yeah. Big up on the set of people. 500 and add on, so I could get it over quick. Location roll call. Run it quick. Let me see if I can keep up this time. Location roll call. Where are you watching from? Post it right now. Trudy, what's up, baby girl? Big up yourself. Alabama, ATL, Delaware, Tampa, Florida, London, Brooklyn, Yuatan. You move fast. Jamaica, which part of Jamaica? Maryland, Kingston, Belgium, Wolaba, Manchester, Spanish Town, Queens, Connecticut, Nantucket, East London, Montreal, Brownsville, Jamaica, California, Hamden, Manchester, Alabama, Cleveland, Switzerland, and somewhere in Switzerland, Florida, Kent in the UK, Portmore, Bronx, St. Mary, Portmore, Cape, the Tivoli Gardens, Clarendon, New Jersey, St. Mary, Colorado, Clarendon, Boogie Down Bronx, Orlando, Freetown, Guyana, Colorado Springs, Miami, UK, Seattle, Portland, Almontown, Exchange, St. Anne, I'm a place that, you know. Rest in peace, Miss Detta. Ivan, big up. Olive, big up. Lydie, big up. Junior, a.k.a. Tuna, big up. Psyche, big up. Mitchie, big up. Massachusetts, Germany, Miramar, Watertown. All content crew in St. Anne to big up on yourself. George, someone named George. Germany. Papi in the North Lauderdale. Yeah, my dad is all the way. Marseille, Monique, St. Anne, St. Vincent, Connecticut, Rockford. Yeah, and good. All right, then it's slow down now. Then when it move fast, Negril. And thing. Somebody say under my bed. Mind you bite your tongue. Birmingham, Arizona, Canada. Where in Canada are you? Kingston, Lambeth, UK, Frankfield, Clarendon, Lincoln in Manchester, Hampton, Virginia, South Sudan. What? South Sudan, Africa. Is that the truth? Is that the truth? Haisham, Russian. Are you really in South Sudan, Africa? Yeah, that's right, I know. With upon best friend Mixup, a Mixup with a best friend from back in the day. Something will go down, or probably is now your former best friend and things. So you know, just call in and give them Mixup the scene. All right, best friend Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have any other drama wanna have one and wanna say yeah, I something for boss panda show you done. Right, just send on and don't hang on, just bring it forward and things seen. Yeah, big up the people and more juggling. Yeah, you see more on the phone, you know, than you do like if you watch it on La Muñeca, Havana, Cuba. ¿Es verdad? ¿Es la verdad? ¿Estás en Havana? ¿Estás en Havana, La Muñeca? ¿Estás en Havana o es una broma? Sí. Sí. Bienvenido. ¿Cómo se dice live en español? En inglés es live, pero en vivo, ¿no? En español es en vivo, ¿no? La muñeca. El inglés, live. En español es en vivo, ¿sí? Contéstame. Y eso es. Bueno. La muñeca, la mayoría de la gente allá aquí es jamaiquinos, ¿no? Jamaiquinos que viven en Jamaica y también en todo el mundo, especialmente en los Estados Unidos. Pero la mayoría de la gente aquí es jamaiquina. We're Jamaicans primarily. And a lot of us, we love Cuba. We have an affinity with Cuba, right? You know, nos gusta Cuba mucho, y los cubanos. Y yo especialmente tengo, gracias. Especialmente yo tengo muchos amigos de Cuba, ¿no? Y algunos de ellos viven aquí ahora en los Estados Unidos, pero esos todavía son cubanos, ¿no? Sí. Otra vez, bienvenido a mi familia aquí. We call ourselves TamFam. It's short for, es un corto por la familia de Tambourine. You know Tambourine? Yep. Yeah. TamFam. Tambourine family. Tengo muchas amigas que están de Jamaica que está estudiando aquí en Cuba. Bueno, she says she have a lot of friends from Jamaica that are studying in Cuba. Bueno, sí, la historia entre Cuba y Jamaica es muy largo, ¿no? Y hay muchos cubanos en Jamaica también. Y yo quiero visitar a Cuba mucho en el futuro, ¿sí? Quiero visitar Havana, sí, pero una ciudad que se llama Santiago de Cuba. Yo tengo muchos amigos de Santiago de Cuba, que creo que es en el oeste, ¿no? Sí. All right. We're there. Big up with Spanish friend them and thing. Big up, nuestros amigos que hablan el español. Big up on yourself. Welcome to the TamFam. We're there. All right. Watch your right, you know. You entiende inglés también. Bueno. But do you understand Jamaican? Do you understand Jamaican? Do you understand, we call it patois. Do you understand patois? Do you understand patois? Raga, you are my papi. I'm your papi. Yeah, I'm your papi. See? Bueno. Raga is your papi. Right? I say you have to say it when they can't say papi, you know. You have to say papi. Papi. Yeah, no. All right. Yeah, greetings. Wait, how this cooker?
One cooker there.
You see it. Yeah, some G.
Raga from Wally might try forward on the show, but show busy, which is good, you know what I'm saying?
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Let's say with my urge strong, some day I try, say one of your females listeners could have taken me out yesterday for dinner, but it never work out at all, Raga. Could get on at all.
Them nowadays, woman, I would say, it's your birthday. All right. Take me out to dinner for your birthday. And them think that some of them going in and them tell you for carry them out for dinner for your birthday. You see,
So them go on, man. Some of them, man.
you know, you have some of them have a style like, but I want to buy something for your birthday, but you never give me no money. You never give me no money for buy a gift. And when I look at me, they really want to buy a gift. Yeah, you never give me no money. You know, so I wait for true people. So we ask a cooker.
I'm there, Raga, you know, just go and give thanks, you know, another year of pandemic, I'm saying?
You see it. One more year on the boat, goddamn.
That's how we're there, but everything good, Raga, there. I will party this weekend, so I will just go and take my time and do my thing, I'm saying?
Yeah, you got your party this weekend.
Yes, I have a little birthday bingo party this weekend, guys. You know what? Different, something different, man.
Nice, nice.
Bingo birthday party this weekend. Queens, New York, we're there.
Yeah.
Already, okay?
All right. Well, you don't know. You know Queens me there too, so you know I'm a place, you know?
Up and grateful. But, like, I come boy here a couple years ago and book a little sister in American, and she have a store where they did fail.
Mm-hmm.
And as in Jamaica, I have a little wholesale Jamaica, so I know a little business and how to take care of things, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I walk in there and she like me off, I'm like her off too, and she give me the blind, Raga, to run the store. And in no time, Raga, not lie to you, no lie, within 2-3 months, she started to turn around, she started to profit and things, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so she work at MTA and meet at the store at the time.
Mm-hmm.
My brother called me one day from Jamaica and say, yo, you know, say, the man there, this a man, they in your town there, so I'm just coming to a place. I'm going to say, I know him from Jamaica. So I go say, woman, link and call him in and him come on the front there, so when me there at the time and
well on, everybody I say you tell that story already. You know?
No, sir.
See, I tell you in our chat.
No, sir, that I never said, nobody never say it.
No, but no. This is the part where you talk about the store and you take it and run it. Yeah, you did tell me that already.
Oh, yeah, but I'm telling you what's happening. You're talking about best friend Mixup.
Yeah, okay, go on. Yeah, but you just start with the same way. Okay, go on.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? Well, nothing's happening on that story, right? You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. No, well, it means it look like at least the first part I never lie. Yeah, tell because you tell it exactly how you did tell it the last time.
You don't lie to nobody, Raga, my big man.
Yeah, say that.
Yeah. So, in the front with me at that time, and we cook run boat right out there, so I mean, two Jamaican youth on the front of the store so at that time, him look girl and like, show the girl that, no, who good or who not good, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, the man evil bring in him own baby mother coming out on the ends, and she bring her cousin, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Me ending up get the cousin, and in no time to blood time, Raga. Remember, me and my wife, we own the store in Raga. I'm end up breed the cousin from the side. Okay? And my wife store, I'm the wife store. And
you bastard.
See?
Yeah.
I breed the cousin.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, picking the barn and everything I got to Raga. But the youth there, him always, I say, oh, I'm lucky. Why you lucky in the youth? Because you just come boy so and you get through and man say, yo, no watch that man, hard work, man, brother. And then just lucky so brother. And the next time just come here, come sit down so and something swallow my lap. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Put in the work and this thing and move forward now and woman so I go and that's why she married to me and I do the thing, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So, I easy myself I got through. So the youth reached about 6 months now and one day, me go home now and wife come in and she look, her face look away.
Yeah.
I said, Mama, what I'm to you? She said, yo, I heard, you know. I said, heard what? Heard that you got a child out there.
Mm-hmm.
I said, no, man, nothing about so. You know, that man already, Raga, we're not going to agree to nothing so easily. If you can't prove it, it not go so. Okay?
Right.
So I still have a light shot, it not go so.
Okay.
When go now phone to backside and take about 3 pictures with me the christening, holding the baby, everything Raga woman have Raga. The whole christening picture, them everything she have in her phone.
Right.
I said, so mama, where this come from? Ray. See, just I say, so you admit it? I say, yeah, I'm a youth. You know? Ball and pure nice and want to fight and all these things. So I say, you know what? I head out to the house, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm sitting in the foolish right now, because, you know, a Yankee, them come in the drama and the scene and thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'll go to the house.
Mm-hmm.
Only, she call me the same night and I talk to me. I say, yo, am my brethren, when me a par with, when me bring come there, when me there with him cousin, and breed him cousin, him woman cousin, him tell my wife.
Like, really? Yeah, I could know say I'm woman cousin. Like, it could have been male cousin.
Him, Raga.
Of course, I'm woman. Well, nowadays you never know. But anyway, go on, talk.
I baby mother cousin. I real from them. I'm saying they're real from them. Two mother pitney, two sister pitney.
Oh, in baby mother cousin.
Yeah, in baby mother cousin.
Oh, okay. So you mean okay? Go on, go on. Mm-hmm.
So I said John knows. So anyway, me know him out and go on business. See? And they are road now and do road and I live my life and I go through. So, you know, once the boy, a girl say come from the boy, and you might send a barrel here and there to Jamaica. Man, Jamaica rate.
Yeah.
So this man fly down now to Blood Team was gonna that Jamaica now fly down and they dance and some man rush him. Fire shot off him, Raga. Fire gun shot off him. Real talk. Because man say you're punk, you should do nothing like that, I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Are you a link them?
Yeah, you tell me born and grow with it.
Yeah.
And then born and grow. But
yeah.
People him come back to America, escape and come back to America and I say, me send man come for him. Raga, now, Jamaica is a different place.
Yeah.
As long as you have man and friends when you give a man something, him feel like in of himself, he must always look out for you.
I have a whole bunch of those, yeah.
Raga, so if a pew him have, a pew him a use. If money him have, him a use money. Whatever him have, him a use. You know what I'm saying?
No, that's true. Me have someone me take care of and sometimes all some things go down and me don't want them know because them want to do all kind of stuff. Right.
So, anyway, you have another second version where they did their own also. Come to me one day, I say, yo, John, I can't believe the man do that to your brother. See, and I say, I hear that thing that, cause, a punk alone go walk and tell girl things about them things, you know what I'm saying? The man say, tell girl about things. The man say, yo, him live with the wife right now. I say, what you say? The man say, the man live with the wife right now. Live with her. Live with her right now. I say, lie I tell. Man say, brother, I not lie to you, brother. You hear that thing, the man do, brother. The man live with your wife right now.
You serious?
I swear to God, Raga.
You serious?
Raga, I not tell a lie, Raga.
Hold on. That is a twist that we never did.
Man, what? Raga, is that twisting me also? Me shock. Because all this time I never know where I go on. Because I just left, must leave out and go on the road, gone with me, you know what I'm saying?
John, no, I'm afraid of them people, bad,
Raga, man, tell a Raga. Say, yo, sometimes some people run the Raga where say, yo, and say, sorry for Maga dog, boy. Raga, some more than sorry for Maga dog, Raga. Raga, I'm taking the youth, Raga. I'm taking the youth, big time.
The man, because we not excuse what you do, we not excuse what you do. You understand? Because, if you put yourself in your wife's space and whatever, that was devastating, Yes, I mean, I judge you. I just say, if you put yourself in a fear position and thing, and you go, there's one thing, if you go, they go do so. There's another thing, if you go, they go get youth. Right?
Raga,
but when I say but when I say no, for somebody who you help and thing and whatever, and them end up who you go confide in and them end up use the information, they weaponize it to them own benefit and end up put themselves in a position where you did that enable you to help them. Right? And him go start jump up in your wife belly and thing and whatever. After him inform upon you to your wife.
Not only that, brother. Him in the store now. Until shit go on, money management miss up and IRS come close the store and take the store from them, you know what I'm saying? Because them could a lot of people see things and just figure say it's easy, me can't do it.
Well, that's true.
Me can't do it.
That's true.
They play it in their head. But they don't know exactly how to get things done the right way, you know what I'm saying?
You see, this hosting a show, yeah, been there with 10 million people who do it. And things are something simple, you know?
So I just one of them things that I just give thanks for the knowledge cause I always get something educational from every situation when we go through and know how to move with people. So that's why me, in my whole age right now, I just hold me corner, stay in my house, me like in my house, call me youth, them want to laugh and talk to them.
Keep your circle small, don't.
About 3 a month ago, me hear the youth name. I say, Kev, me hear a play your show, and I listen to it. And I say, Bomba, it's funny, and log on to you like what year, and I succumb me there, Raga, see, because me not go live on nobody's show. Me no know, me not the live thing, me not the mix up things and about this. I want different story. These are people that start them business, and people need to understand, say, them for allow people them talk. And every day I get a funny story. It's not every day I get a sad story. Sometimes people
tell them.
It's what it is. They're just talking. That's one talking about somebody about something that they went through.
Exactly.
Beyond my life, you know, but the majority Raga is really talk.
Exactly. Of course, you're gonna get a couple liar deny mix, but you know, so it go, you know.
I enjoy some of them Raga, but let them talk. I'm a love when Raga. You put everyone in them place. I say you're looking, you know, let them talk. I might show your own.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, run the thing. A Raga run the show. That's right. Yeah, we take charge. Yeah.
So, see, Raga, people don't like that, Raga.
You see,
people don't like that, and trust me, you need to understand. And me there, each the show, me take notes. One little quick argument. The guy will come on one day about the fat man and he like fat man twist up on our leg and ray. And him not like fat man and ray. That was very discriminating, Ragazine. Just slap him, Raga. He's not fat man, but just slap him, you know, because now he expose himself and people know who he is, know what him represent. You know what I'm saying? Which is good.
Well, on this thing, yeah. But what are you saying that him shouldn't talk, say him don't like, him not attracted to fat man? Is that what you're saying?
But rather, it's how we say it. It's not what you said, it's how you say it.
Right. Okay.
I could say, me, Raga, me like fluffy woman. Me like woman with meat on them body.
Right.
I could say, I don't rather a slim woman. I don't rather, but if she come away, she did same way, but me not rather that. You see, me rather a woman with meat on her body. Me never say me not like my woman. You know what I'm saying?
Because women do that too. Women will say, me not like fat man, and me not like maga man, me not like short man. Women do that too.
Man can't get away with certain things, Raga. You know what I'm saying?
Are you saying that woman, it's okay for women to talk about?
Okay, Raga.
No, listen what I said. Are you saying that women can get away with body shaming men, but men can't get away with it doing it to women? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Raga. I'm every day. Sometimes a woman can diss a certain way, Raga, but for you, try to diss a woman, Raga, as a man, it come out different. It sound different, it look different. It seems different. So don't do it.
Well...
woman cuss man every day, Raga. You know what I'm saying?
With the cussing thing, me understand that.
It's almost similar.
It's a cussing thing, me understand that. I'm not saying that it's fair or it's balanced, but
it's not.
Me as a man, but just kind of the cussing thing, right? It's not people that never know that, but any woman me there with me, ain't no cussing thing and an argument with her. Is either we are going to hold on, man, bumbo clat, sure. No, what I say is, it's like yeah, I see what you say. I agree with you I agree with you to a certain extent, because there's certain things we do where we get to it with them not get to it. There's certain things them do with them not get to it. And but the body shaming thing, you know, me kind of have a little issue with some woman, because when woman ready to go hard per man with that, you know, cooker, them not easy, you know.
Then not ease up.
Them not easy, woman go hard, and then as soon as you knock them back with something or whatever, them must say, and again, me not stay saying about you're a B man and you are sissy and all you feel argue, and then them feel like say them can just go hard and tell you the worst and the hottest of things about your appearance. But but if you come at me them way, me have a right for ask back some things to you and say, My girl, you know, say your foot back stay bad all this time, but you never bother me. But I make you know, say your foot back stay terrible, and you come here and say this and that about me. Your foot back stay terrible, B. You have to understand yourself, all right? Yeah, me will neatly check, you know, if them forget check. Me not go cuss and trace with them, you know, but you have some of them have this thing, woman allowed to do this, but man not to do it. So I am allowed to tell you the worst of the worst about your physical thing and whatever and thing like that. All the lady we call yesterday now and say her chun ugly because one side big and heavy and the next side whatever. No, she can't go cuss nobody about nothing because the man may go say.
But
And you are come and argue with me on balance front, seriously? Right? Your scale lean on one side, your scale always lean on one side and you come and style me. You see, you know, yeah man, sometimes them forget check, yo.
But as she tell you about her business, Raga. So
No, just use say some woman, you have some woman out there them feel like say them just have the green light for go hard pan you and thing because through them know say I saw you stay, you know. You have some they don't know it go, you have some people through them know say you know much time me in a position and thing and whatever and some people do some wicked thing to me and then remember one time a woman do some you know, be when me did involved with, she do some cool thing to me, you know. And when one and she and her friend fall out, you know, and the friend come and give me the 100 everything. So she said she did say to her, say, B, what you do? You when I explain certain things, but basically she says to her, say, B, what you do? The kind of cool way you doing a turbo way you doing a rag of a whole heap of links, you know, couple phone call and you can get page and whatever. She said, the woman who made it involved with when time the drama go down, she said, no, it's not like that. You can't do anything like this and whatever, and him go do the mature thing, him go pull away and ignore it. And that was a wake-up call for me. You follow me, man, say? Because, you know, you have people out there, if them say, you know, you chill certain way, them feel like say them have the green light for just go hard pan you and abuse you and whatever. And until you do that something, you know, where you say, all right, I'm going to check you back, you know. And I guess them may be like, and you know what to cook. You know, you have some woman out there like, no, I'm in a ramp with man, no. So why you never do so and so with John? No, man, I would have never tried that with John because I'm not able for John because the point is the one them where them know say we stand up to them and step back to them. And again, you know, when I go trace woman, me know woman there with man, you know, who afraid for even argue with the man the way the man more light, you know. Right? Me know a woman who there with man, you know, and whatever, and if that man cuss her back or whatever, you know, oh, she can't beat that man then, boy, them man they in a league by themselves, you know, right? And, you know, I don't mind something like that, you know. But some of them, man, them forget check, man, because them go too hard if them know say you're cool and easy certain way, you know.
That's true.
And things, but that's one of them things. But and then as you get older too, you don't even want to argue with them. You just see your son them stay and you just avoid them. And you just avoid them. Yeah, you have to find your peace. Because you know bother even argue with them. And you know say you could have step back to them and take it to them and whatever. And like, I can't even bother. Just, all right, go on. We're good. Bye. You know?
And
see
it. In this America now, this thing here, 911, them quick, them have it speed dial on them phone, most of them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Them up here, them know if you use the system for you, dog. Yeah, them know if you use the system for you.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But like, peace, Mr. Peace now. Peace, Mr. to everybody out there.
Then I just it for them. I just it for them, man. I just it for them. Big up yourself, Cooker. You know, Cooker, how many tickets you buy? Cause you make big talk, so you go buy. You eventually you go buy a bunch of tickets for get to ladies.
How much tickets? How much for a ticket, Raga?
$45 for the cheap for the basic ticket. No, say that. No, man, pull it back on them. I'm like, don't say that. No. The general admission, $45. General admission.
All right, so I'll buy 5 tickets. I can make you put it by show and run it back out. You know what I'm saying?
All right, when you're ready. All right.
If you got something, how them forget it back. You know what I'm saying?
What?
No, if you got something, how they're gonna win it, or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, all right. Okay. No. I'll figure that out. Not
Yeah.
we.
All right. Dating. Okay,
Not we.
dating.
Yeah. I mean, you're on the
But
show.
I may appear feet, so you know it's involved. So I
Yeah.
feet and you distribute it, okay? I'll pay you distribute, okay?
All right. All right. Cook, you know, easy, you know. All
So
right, Papa, that's a
please,
word, but
people, you don't know my birthday bingo party this weekend. I'll give you 10 TV and 10 laptop. Guarantee. No itchings.
10 TV
No
and 10
itchings.
laptop.
10 big TV rag I'll give you and 10 laptop I'll give you. 5 laptop this weekend.
All right,
Only
handle your
come out.
business.
Free of course, food free, liquor free, everything free. Just walk in, come play bingo.
All
We're
right,
there.
that's a word, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Big up yourself, Ragashanti, okay?
One pop. Cool.
1.
See, the cook of that. Boss cook of that. Yeah. Say hello.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Raga.
Good evening to you too. What's up?
It's Tom Tiana from England. I
What's
just
your name?
wanted to say
What is
my
your
name is
name?
Tom Tiana. I'm not Tom Tiana.
Tom Tiana.
Yes, it's Tom Tiana.
Oh, that's different. I've never heard that before. And
I called your
interesting.
show before, but
Yeah.
maybe you didn't check the name.
Didn't
So I
check in
just
there.
want to say the gentleman that called, he karma, as they say, is the B word.
Yeah.
And as a man, he did what he did, and then when it was paid back time, he couldn't handle it. And growing up with brothers and cousins, I don't know, men, they will always do they do, but they can't handle certain things emotionally. But
When
I'm
it come
happy
back
that
on
he's
them.
talking about life experience. We're not judging, it's all about learning.
Right,
Because when
right.
his wife moved on with that person who he was good, I'm not saying she was right, I'm not saying anybody was wrong, but it's just that that's how life is.
Not only that, when women set their mind to get back at you for them, bun always at her.
Well, I can say so because based on my job role, and I've seen some things, and
Yeah.
and they
Yeah.
always say hell have no fury like a woman scorned.
Scorned. Yeah. Indeed.
Is scorned, or is she being vindictive or malicious?
Yeah. And whap
It's
him
one
up
of those
down.
things.
Yeah.
So I don't really have a story. I just wanted to say that I enjoy your program and I like listening in. So it's
Blessings.
after 12 in the midnight in England, and it's always good to listen to Mr.
Blessings.
Yes. Bless up
Thank you.
yourself, and I know your birthday and your celebration. I wish you all the best when it comes, when you're going to do this celebration, and I hope everything will go well. Sorry, one of the time I might come to America if you're doing it in America or Jamaica, but we're on the other side because I have
Right.
a younger child, so my kids come first.
Right. I understand. That's totally understand. But thank you for your kind words and for checking in and giving us that little feedback there and thing. All right. And big up yourself over there in England. Oh, and by the way, we have a bunch of people over in England. They come to the party every year. Let us keep it, you know. So
Yes, I will
Craig
come.
Tan and them
I'll come
and
with
whatever.
my Jamaican friends one of the years, but they have older children. I started having
Right.
kids late, so I
Right.
have to take care of my own. But thank you, Mr. Ragashanti.
You're most welcome, darling. You take care, okay?
Bye.
All right. Then good. Okay. Yeah, a Ragabash, you know. Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party and things. Seeing Ragabash, Amazura Queens. I'm want the whole town to come support and come have a good time. The party are nice, it's hot. Hello.
Hi, Raga, what's up?
But my day I give thanks, you know, I go on with you.
I'm a long time listener, but a first time caller.
All right.
I don't know if it's really a mix up I have, but I just find out something in my own little family, and it kind of suit me. So me I gotta tell you no as I know it, right?
Oh, run it.
All right. So growing up, I have an auntie who would normally live in my father's house, which would be my mother's sister, right? Growing up, when I go over to my father's yard and see the auntie, me and her, she wouldn't like me and her wouldn't agree. So I always wonder what the problem. You understand? So getting older, I had the same attitude from her and stuff, and I realized that she and my mother don't get along. She them not talk. So recently, my father passed away, and we have a death in my family that's on my mother's side as well. So go a country now, and my mother and the sister see each other. Only to find out from my grandmother now why my mother and the sister is not talking, because my auntie left from country, did a deal with my father and take my mother from country for come look after the two of them, and then my mother take him and have me.
Well,
me
no, run back the part there again, run back. Oh, it go other part, they go again.
Me find out now, say the reason why my auntie and my mother don't talk are because my auntie are the older one. I left come at town and meet my father. But my mother, which is the younger one, she take her from country for come look after the two of them. And she gonna work. So my mother and him start do them thing.
So hold on. So the auntie are your mother's sister, correct? Right? Okay,
Yeah.
so the auntie now bring fear younger sister for come, she help her out and look out for her and bring her for come help and whatever. And then the younger sister, who is your mother, end up go take her sister husband though and breed for him and have you.
Them married, but
Them never married. But the sister help her younger sister, and when she help the younger sister go take the sister man and then breed for the sister man and then go have you.
Yes, so I go country go find out.
Damn.
But
Hold on. I'm going to say something. I'm going to say this one time, okay? People, when you're hosting a show and you're listening to somebody, it's good to reiterate a key point. And there's a way that I reiterate the key point. It doesn't mean that I don't understand it. I'm just reiterating it for emphasis in the show, to focus on that point. And when I do, I apply my charisma and I do a certain little thing there, whatever this and that, my little raga thing, right? All I'm doing. So all I'm in the chat, raga, you know, understand, you know, whatever this and that. No, shut up no ass, no, man. Just shut up, man. Just shut up and make me run the show. Damn. Anyway, go and talk here.
And I'm going to the funeral. I'm going to see my mother upon the left, I'm auntie upon the right. So I'm definitely going to ask my granny what's going on. A long time I need to know. So my granny, first of all, my granny never liked my father. So that was always a next problem too. But the family never tell me what was going on. Everybody know.
Why your granny never like your father?
Because they met the two sisters them now deal.
Oh, well, yeah.
No, Raga. And this a little girl. I did not know. I know me. I find out big woman.
Damn. So, but it just, you know, 1 week for the family secret mix up because no, so all this time this a play out and them to make you know when you're a big man now you go find out after your father dead, don't?
Me have to say, you know, some always say no man, me have to tell Raga that one because this one is sweet. All my day I just laugh it out in my head because I ask my mother say, when she come at town, she 18 just turned big woman and our sister always gone with different man and she definitely have feelings to my father. So it starts.
Well, we not excuse your mother, you know. We not excuse your mother, but in other position, the more of the responsibility for do the right thing, they depend on your father. Because remember, say if your mother is 18, she a young girl and whatever and thing, and you know, when you're 18 and you know no life yet and you know set up yourself yet and whatever, and you know you can turn an 18-year-old girl in an idiot with some things and whatever. So when the woman more wrong, we whap up a woman. When the man more wrong, we whap up a man. So the father then, you know, him for no say, no, even if me I go out there, not with my woman sister, right? Me put more of the blame on him.
I get one next joke. You see, growing up with my father.
Yeah.
Getting to find out all of this between my mother and my auntie. When me know say my father, me just know say my father and my mother there, and you know every other story would have come out would have just be story. Me know my father being married.
What you mean married?
As in him have a wife. Me not talk about my auntie nor my mother. Cause me a bastard. My father married.
Married to who?
My father married to somebody. Him have a wife.
Hold on. So all the time when your auntie there with your father, him have a wife differently
My
too?
wife.
That way they No, but hold on.
Him have a wife with
No,
him did
no, did he have a wife and separated, or did he have a wife who him did
him
still
have
a
a
deal
wife
with?
and them wife where him did there with him pitney them. Go and have a different place where him and him wife and the pitney them stay. Right now, him with them other
While him there with your auntie?
right. Right in there with the auntie and my mother over the yard there. Listen
No,
to
but
me,
hold
right
on,
now,
no, man, hold on. The second caller here, she say, yeah, you know, what you sow, you reap and thing and whatever and thing like that, and it will come back to you. So your auntie take a woman man too. Yeah, your auntie did take a woman man too. Yeah.
farmer.
Yeah, the turn back a
Me
retribution
have
take your
brothers,
auntie.
listen me, rather. I
He,
have brothers where all of them in them 40s, 50s. Cause remember me telling me at 28 now. My father dead. Him was how much now? Him was 70 something what the year I'm dead.
oh,
And
okay.
me I tell you that man, when me I find out the history of life, me I said, Jesus Christ, my father was a dog.
No, man, your father did not go hard, man. You know? So, well, them people that, people that take who them want to take then in a family.
Listen, you know, man, Raga.
Yeah.
When me have to do the pop up, me have to say no man, me have to drink a special for this one. I want to tell me story.
Jano. No, but that last twist there with the auntie, no. So the auntie then did vex with your mother. No, well, obviously them never chat like you said, but so the war,
This year, Raga, them don't
them
talk.
don't talk.
So I definitely have to find out what is the reason for them. Because I know my mother and her, them never speak. Or when my father did, at the night and the setup, them don't even look on one another.
It would be interesting now to hear the argument where your auntie make to say your mother really violate and do something terrible and wrong. That that would not apply to her having take a woman husband and thing and whatever. The auntie have picked for him too, don't?
No, she now not pick the film.
Oh, well, you know, said that a real.
My mother end up get the pitney, which is me. So probably that's why she did
That gonna make it hot. Yeah, no, that no. No, you see that something then? She go take a man who married to somebody and whatever, and him have picnic over there with the wife, right?
Yes, him have kids, car. Let me give you a joke now. Wait, now cut a Raga.
Yeah, go
For
through.
show you the fact now. For sure, it's my father bad. You see, when all of that happen, when my father did with my mother, this is me gonna show you for run of the age now. My father, big son, right? Woman pregnant, same time when my mother pregnant with me. So my niece and me are the same age. Me born August and she born September. I'm born the 30th, she born the 4th.
Well, yeah, a lot of families have that, you know, like somebody older, if you call somebody younger, auntie or uncle and thing. When parents have me.
Father is bad man. So why when me catch the history of everything, me say, boy, what a legacy.
No, but me I say that I go that me can see with that. Usually in them situation there, that I go hot by your auntie, you know. Cause remember now your father have picnic with him wife. And then the auntie go take your father now and have say she there with him. And who for tell she probably the try breed for him too and never breed for him. Why? And then now she go bring your mother or younger sister come and then the younger sister go breed for him too. So in the mix now, your auntie alone have youth for him. And then she go start thinking, say, no, boy, if me did have a youth for him and thing and whatever and really probably too, you know what I'm saying? And you know, Jamaican mentality go when women have picnic, them come with all these stereotypes and these incorrect, disparaging and, castigating interpretations and labels, that they apply to women who don't have children and whatever. Jamaican people terrible with that something there, terrible with that something there.
From my understanding, all in the when my auntie find out say my mother breed now, my auntie still follow him because my father, she live in my father's house because him have a separate house from with him and the wife and the kids there because right now it's still there. It's occupied, rent out and so, but in the time when she dead here with him, she still talk to him, them still in a sexual relationship to me. That's from my understanding, them still have sex while him, my mother and him there and she a breed. That's how me feel, because when me here, she still live over there, him go over there every day. You understand? She a collect the rent fee, man, a give him. She managing most time money with him with that. You know, so even my mother, at the time, my mother always say she manage the money. So when the money for come over, it would a shot. You know, understand that them something me a hear and I understand.
No, but that would mean say at that time your father still a shell him wife. Him still a shell your auntie and him still a shell your mother.
I shell everybody I get shelling.
Yeah, your father did go hard. It's so like that man that did drink beer roots and bitters and all them something there, and you know, ever up and thing, you see it. Anyway.
I believe me up to the day when him dead, I see my father throw one gas pan on his shoulder.
Strong man, don't?
Yes.
So but to the best of your knowledge, what him do feel like be so healthy and virile and whatever? What him do? Him take care of himself or what?
Take enough woman. And my advice that right now, cause boy him did live long. Him take whole heap of woman for when me see family, outside of family, all around, uptown, downtown, everywhere.
No, I just ask you why you think him do for be so healthy and live so long, and you say take enough woman.
That I think him do just because them keep him the moving around, keep him young.
Keep him young, though.
Yes. From one thing to a next thing to the other one, him active, him exercising, him moving.
Yeah.
And that to me.
So you think say if a man want to live long, him for just have several women?
Boy, I mean, I say my things so, but it does seem so.
All right. So all right then, ladies, listen, me want to live long, so joke me. Oh, God. Yeah, all right, me hear what you say, blessings, man. That's a word, man. Respect for that one day. Yeah, man, and that a right thing for a show like this. You say you never know if that's a perfect for a show like this, man. Thank you for forward with that one, then, man. You know, I mix up, you know, but you see that one, they make you think too. You understand? It have look at levels in it to make you have to think. You understand? Big up yourself. Yeah,
man, next time.
Yeah, man, love and blessings, man. Cool. Yo, Pops, did I go hard, you know, man? Yeah, she said, boy, it look like, say, the man they will keep up have a bag of woman and whatever, like they live long down. You got it. A Ragashanti life on TikTok, you know, a murder the thing at boy the phone I do it, you know, people. You know, anytime we go up on the phone it push, but when me in the TikTok studio, sometimes it not push it, I barely 1,400 and odd people. I saw the thing for Jiggy and nice, man. Roar. Greetings.
Oh, go on, Raga.
Man, there, you know, you say, Papa.
Boy, me there, you know, Raga. Raga, me don't know if more like go that one, you know, but we see what go on now.
Yeah, make us see, no?
Tell you about me ex when me go on party, go book, you know.
Yeah, tell me.
Alright, so, me and this girl used to drink, Raga, and, no, we young, so we never used to live together. My brother him there keep a party up at Mass Camp. Them time the Mass Camp did there, New Kingston. Right?
I know.
And then, we go at the party and me link her, me and say, babes, come roll with me now, we go have a little fun, you know, go on a little party with my brother keep. My girl tell me, say, she a work night shift. Them time the call center never so popular, just there emerge on the scene, you know? So, you know, say, them have them night shift and thing. Again, you know, say, me cut her a little slack and say, alright, babes, I go work. So, I just give one of my brother a ticket and me just go by myself, you know? I tell myself right away, say, you know what? Alright, me not carry no son go beach. Me I go enjoy myself because babes gone to work and thing. Raga, you know, say when me go in at the party, music a play and I enjoy myself.
Yeah.
I bounce on somebody because you know dancing a go on. Bounce on somebody, you know. So me the person I am say sorry. Raga, when me look. My girl if they a call center, Raga, who the bubble pan a man and thing.
Yo, you just saw that. And then what happened?
Raga, party done for me, they say, no, Raga, me I tell you the truth.
So you never did it with one woman too?
No, remember me tell you say.
You say you not bring son go a beach, so you there alone.
So me go with the intention say me I go grab somebody. Cause them party and a girl come with them friends.
Yeah.
And you always have a third wheel where you look a little balance, you know. So we go. But me I tell her Raga when me turn around and see her. Any lyrics when me did plan for use that night, they don't get no girly dead right.
And depression take you right away. So what you say, when you bounce pan her, she did a wine off a man down.
Wine off on herself. So go on with herself, right? Raga, the hottest thing, you know, me and her go party, you know. And some of them wine there where she put on, me never get them yet. You know,
That's how it usually go, man. A murder, man.
Still, me don't know some man do it, you know, but me go home, go ball, man. Me call all my mother. Me remember me and my mother talk on the phone, and me I tell my mother, your mother, no. That's why me tell you if you go to church and pray.
Keep it 100. You go home and hold a ball and thing.
Full of jug with high water.
Right? Full of jug with high water because it did hot, you know. It hot, you know. And then, go on.
After that, you know, Raga, like couple days after, she come and tell me, say, boy, work the nice. So me I said to me, say, so she never realized, say, me, the bunks pan her. Cause, me there at party, me see her dance, me turn around and me say sorry. Me don't recognize when me recognize, cause me never confront her, Raga. In all honesty, as me tell you, from me recognize her, she me left. Go home, go cry everything. Couple days later, we are reason. And she tell me about all one incident where now work out. Them a talk about, say them have to clear the phone for the floor cause some gas leak and be something. So me I sit down and me I say to myself, say, either me an idiot or something wrong with my brain, cause me I look you straight in your face and you recognize and me say to me I say come like a bubble where she get the better than anything else. She out of space, Raga. Me I tell you the truth.
No. This is an instructive moment, you know, because you have people who do them something there, you know, whatever, you know. And we see things on the internet and they come in like joke, but you have people who stay so, you know.
Yeah, man.
How you explain that then? No, Shagwan like say, how you explain that?
Boy, Raga, if I tell you the truth, you know, I to this day I can't wrap myself around it, Raga, because for me I look you straight in your eye, you come back to me now. When me think about it right now that me I speak to you, being the mature person I am now, probably our conscience are bother her, and she didn't want to test to see if me I go say something to her when she come and tell me about the gas leak. You know them way they like she that say, me try, me pick him brain and see if I really him me this year. Cause she expect me to confront her. I mean never confront her.
And you never confront her. So
right.
If we were to attempt to explain what is going through a person's mind like that, and again I want to emphasize that you have a lot of people do this, you know. Somebody did I tell her, oh, fear husband stay. And you know, Shaggy sang it wasn't me. But she said her husband tell her, say, if you see me, but you not hold me. But even if you see me now, if you still not hold me, it wasn't me. You have people who stay so, you know.
And the truth about it, you know, Raga, you see karma is a bit still, as them says, you know. Because me in a situation like that without wasn't me sang there before this girl, you know. I mean, they break that girl heart wicked, you know, because she have a cousin come from country. You know, back in ideas, you know, people always come from country, come town, come spend summertime. I mean, they like the cousin, man. And you know, little dolly house go on and she come in at the little place and see the dolly house. And me gaslight her, I got to this day, me still a gaslight her, man. Me tell her, say, I know me, yes, man, and somebody else.
That's the man I just say, I never me, yes. I never me.
So when he come back around and bite, you know, he might not bite the same way, Raga, but, you know, karma real, man.
Listen to me. Me know a woman, just by chance, you know, me not get the fullness right, but what me get is this. Our man did for this somewhere in a Kingston, right? And she go some convention with our church and whatever. And just, me don't know, this is one of them things where people say, God make it happen, so, you know, with, you know, me, I would say it's a coincidence, but it's just a weird thing. So apparently people need for pee-pee. Because them did that go some convention and Montego Bay, you know, right?
Right.
But our man for there in a Kingston. And when them a pee-pee and they must have stopped some out of Discovery Bay.
Yeah.
And when them stop and them a go, wherever them a go for pee-pee, I don't know, some up there so them a go for pee-pee. She see her husband with woman skimpily. They said the woman in a you know the woman wear a bathing suit, but then put like a little thing over it, a little thing with style and whatever. And she said the husband like she have on the bathing suit, you know they must say at the beach or something, and put him on under it and thing and dead a feel up or something or whatever. And she said, same name Mikey.
Yeah.
She said, Mikey, where do you so? And she said, when her husband turned around, she said, him just turn on and look on her and the husband run. And when the husband run, the woman him dead would say, where you go? We want me for reach, where you go? And she said, the husband just run. And she said, she see the car. She said, she know them car. And the husband join the car and driver left the woman there, you know. All right. You know, so she call her husband, I call him and nah get him. And she go to convention. Yeah. And by the time she reached down at Montego Bay or whatever, and she call him and she get him now. And she say, what kind of thing that you do? And he must say, what you talk about? And she said, I'm going to see you with the woman. See me with which woman? What you talk about? Which woman what you talk about? Am I the man? You're mad? And in pressure. And you know, so eventually she blame the devil. You know, me tell you, so, she a God woman, you know. But him hold it to just start to say, I wonder if I really him me this, you know, one thing like that. So when I say, you have some people, them dangerous, them way, you know, cause in a theme mind, you know, you see me, but nothing in a concrete yet, cause you don't know if it's really me, you see. All right, I may jump in the car, I drive a left woman, I may go back to town or whatever. So when you call and you could get me something I do and thing or whatever, I just get for answer. Who you see? But I never mean you know, say Kingston, me there, me for there to discover. Me don't even go there say yet. Me drive through them places. Me never ever stop at them places and what. Woman in a what kind of bathing suit? First of all, me don't ever go up on road with woman who dress so. My woman them have for decent and all them thing there and whatever. Yeah. My woman them have for decent, right? Even if me and her own she have a cover up. So you know if me would I go up on road with woman who dress so well, I make up something there, but I'm just tell you what them people. You can't imagine she say like, well, him really not stay so and I saw them people when them want them like them drill down, and them naggy. Yeah.
When they're ready for gas light, yo, cause me I tell her when she tell me about the little gas leak I work, man. Me I tell you, man, are the best excuse she come up with, cause you know them high-rise buildings there. Once gas leak or any leak go on, them are empty out the building. Yeah. And appear excitement, everybody are gonna gather in a parking lot. And I wait for further instructions. So when she tell me there, I say, wait there. She sure says she never see me. I wish she had tried to. I just tell you, but you want me go along with the play, you know. Me just go along with the play. And eventually me and her end up, you know, split up and thing. But I never that's why she's up. That is another mix up when me tell her say you good.
No, but you see she no, me just say one night she say, yo, but him catch me and do ever say nothing. My idiot, it wasn't me. I never mean him say. Because you see, even my brethren them when we used to roll with them, they must say, boy, you should have confront her. In fact, you shouldn't left a party and not make she know, definitely make she know, say you see her and you confirm, say she say, but me I said to them one them say, Arnold Schwarzenegger used to come on TV and that the brother they look like Sylvester Stallone. So me now go take a chance to confront my girl. And him go feel offended, I'll go thump me down in a dance. Cause me's a little maga youth, you know, me can't take them.
So even if at the moment me do want to say something, Raga.
Yeah.
That the whole Kogan body they were behind now.
No, but hold on, though. May I tell you the psychology of it just fascinate me, though. And I usually, these are the type of things that I preoccupy myself with in terms of what's the methodology or what are these people applying here? Because some of them get away with it. May I tell you, some of them get away with it. So it's just the psychology. If you tell a lie. If you tell a lie and you deny. Because here what make this interesting now. I mean, I show you how woman mind work, right? And some of you hear this already. I have a sister in a Connecticut scene back in the day when I did do my doctorate. Right. And she there with this youth. But I'm my sister, so me and her reason or whatever. And she live with her man, And me and her reason and thing. And she said, yeah, he's cheating. She white, She's like, yeah, my boyfriend's cheating on me. So I say, you know him I cheat by you? And she said, yeah. Mm-hmm. So I say, like with one person. No, she's like, nah, he cheats on me all. Because I hot boy she did with,
Right.
Boy work out. And the young people in them time, the Connecticut. Yeah. I was at the University of Connecticut. So, boy body, and thing, and him good looking, and, him having money, and him nice sports car, and whatever. I think so girl fling themselves on him and thing, and whatever. Mm-hmm. So she said, no, I'm cheating on me all the while. He's still cheating on me. So I say, you ever ask him about it? And she said, all the time. I think she said, reach a point now, she not even too bad about it. And she, so said, when you ask him about it, whatever, she said, he denies it. He's just a lying bastard. He just denies it right down. So said, so say I'm a cheat point. She said, yeah, he's been cheating on me. Yeah. And but when you ask him and him deny it and whatever, this and so she said, yeah, he's supposed to. Right. So said, what you mean? And she's like, well, if he loves me, he will. Follow the logic,
Yeah.
Follow the logic, All right. For a long time, I never see her. And then when I see her after now, I said to her, I said, what go on? So what go on, thing that we did that chat. I said, so what, thing, like, forgot him name. But like, I said, oh, Trevor. And so, we broke up. Yeah. And then, and I'm not like, oh, okay, I'm sorry to hear that. No, she said, oh, it had to be done and whatever. And I said, what happened? She said, he was cheating on me. So I know. So I said, but he's been cheating on you. You told me that he's been cheating on you. And she said, yes, but the effing idiot. One day I asked him and then he admitted it. So I was just like, that's it. It's done.
Hey.
No, no. Follow the logic. Listen to the reasoning now, So I said, hold on. So you knew he was cheating all along and whatever, right? She said, yeah, he's been cheating on me for years. And you stayed with him. And she said, yeah. So I said, my son called me from Japan, Stay right. Don't move, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Hey, Papito, what's up? Look at you. What are you eating? You finally got your wish. Look at you eating Japanese. What's that? What is that?
It's just a ramen in the broth.
It's just a ramen in the broth and whatever. You finally got your wish. You're eating Japanese ramen. Look at you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you, son. What time it is there? You guys are 13 hours ahead, you said, right?
8:42 a.m.
8:42 a.m. Okay.
7 for you guys.
Are you having a good time? And you're taking care of your mom? Huh? You taking care of your mom?
Ask her.
No. I'm doing my show, so. Okay. All right. Okay, listen, Daddy's doing his show right now, so I'll have to talk to you about it. Call me tomorrow because I won't be doing the show tomorrow, okay? All right? Look at you, your mouth is all full. All right, so I'll talk to you tomorrow, all right, Papito?
Okay.
All right, have fun. Yeah, man. You know, me and him have a local arrangement, so he must say when me travel, you know, him like, Daddy, you have to call me and let me know what's going on. So I say, all right, cool. So when him I go over, him say, yo, I'm going to call you and let you know what's going on. So,
That is it, no.
no, I know it's true. Me never grew up with no father, Papa. Me never know no father. Them look at something important to me, you know, and then,
man, you have to do it, man.
now let me tell you why. Sidebar. He happens to live in another, I'm in New York, he's in Florida, right? So, so my other two kids, you know, them up here, you know, them live with them mother up here, so I can't see them when I want to see them. But to him down there, so now, whatever, so, you know, I tell people that thing already, you know, one time them did an interview Bill Clinton, and them ask him, you know, what's the secret to success? And at the time when they asked him, my ears perked up, because whatever you think about Bill Clinton with Monica Lewinsky and all that, he's actually a very bright man. He's very sharp, well-read and the whole works. So I was listening to him at that time, and I, you know, was just anticipating some profound philosophical statement, you know, like, and so I was just ready now to like absorb knowledge that I'm going to apply and use. And then his answer simply was, oh, the secret to success? Oh, you're more than halfway there if you just show up. No, and at the time I was so disappointed. I was just like, then nothing come to the. And let me tell you something, man. Years after I realized the genius in that statement.
Right.
I realized the genius in that statement. You see, when people have funeral and people are saying, no, man, and get a good turnout, people are show up that, you know.
Yeah.
Right? You see, when woman always I said, no, one thing with a man that why I love him, he was always there, you know, like, and look, that is that man showing up, you know. Right? One time here, one woman, one girl said, oh, I love my father because all when time him a plot me here and the plot them never look good because the plot them cock up and thing like that and them something that he was there. It never matter, you know, the plot them never look good, but she basically I say him show up, him turn up, right? So you see that's something there, and thank God for the technology now and thing and whatever, you know. Pick the member them something there, you know.
Yeah, man, them not forget.
Pick the member if you did dead, you know.
Yeah, man.
Woman member if you did dead, you know. Not care much if you get, were you there? Were you there? Did you show up?
Yeah, man.
Right?
Cause me have a little warrior in a Raga. When him about 3, you know, I promise him, because I love police things and this. I promise him one him call it, me know say RC stand for remote control. Because you know me always I say remote control. Him come, Daddy want a RC car. So me I say, what RC? I go up on Google, me say RC mean remote control. So I say, all right, as long as you don't give no trouble for a week, I go get you the RC car there.
Yeah.
You know what, for the entire week, Raga, boy, don't give no talking. That's when it's Sunday for next week.
Right, digital. Right, digital.
Week finish now.
Week finish. Them not forget them something there.
To this day, him still remember it. Him say, you know, so my father buy me an RC car because I didn't give trouble for a week. So something where
bigger than that,
sentimental,
man. No, man, even bigger than that. You know what I mean? Notice with them. Let me tell you something. Relationships, you can't say what you want to say about relationship, but until it is experiential, it don't mean nothing.
That is true.
And for it to be experiential, you have to be there. All right. And then with children, them now really process it the way we are processing it. But let me tell you why I mean no say it important. And any parent can tell you this. You see, sometimes you're there around them, and out of the blue, them just bring up all something where you'd like, in your mind, you say, how the backside remember that? You know, like you want to say, Daddy, you remember when you did whatever? What are you talking about? Yeah, when we were on the road and thing, and with the red balloon and stuff, and this, and then this and that, and then remember some random something, you know. The point may make it in them head, you know. If you were there, it did it. And then later on in a life now, you see how some parents are complaining about them picking on dead and things like that, and them not understand. You never did dead for them in a certain way either, you know, right? You never did dead experientially, you did, you know. You'll have some father who believes, so like, all I have to do is spend money.
No, man.
No, you have to dead it. Yeah, you have to spend some time and give thanks. You like, if you not even have, you can't do that in a person. At least you have the technology now. So when I say, true, me not growing on a father and all them something there. When my parents them call me answer,
Yeah, man, you have to answer, man.
Me have the answer because me I show up. You follow me, I say?
Yeah, man,
It's important to me for show up. You understand? Because later on down, him I go remember when him did there at Japan and him call and me I do the show and me answer. Even if me not talk, him know so me did answer.
Answer.
So
Yeah.
them something me just want to know people when they see me I do the show. If me youth them call me I answer. If I even for answer and say, so me go shout you back and whatever. Me I answer cause they must know say when them pick up the phone and call, at least them know them father go answer. Yes, what I say? You understand? Them thing they important to me. But anyway, back to our little thing I know. So when me I say no, when me I say no with the psychology of the thing I know with the woman name. So but she explained to me, she say, I mean I tell you the truth, me never get it when she did explain it to me first, but she say, me know say it don't make sense to some people, But she say, no, when him did that tell me lie, I still show me respect and think differently in the relationship and take care of me and we're good and whatever. But him tell me lie about those women. Her logic is, yeah, him deny them for keep me. She say, in his effort for keep me, him lie about them. But she said, no, once him go tell the truth now about them, she say, me not have no more value in a theme. You see the logic what she use?
Yeah,
you understand the logic? You understand the logic?
Yeah, man, me understand it, man. She basically say, Raga, my value to him is that even though him a go XYZ, when him come home, him a make me know say, listen, them no mean nothing to me, babes. Me not cheat. I'm good, man. You're my woman. You understand? So,
Yeah.
in fear it, she is the pedestal in his life,
You want to see a lot about some of the woman them a say, yeah, true. But me I tell her, I never get it at first. So me I say like, what she mean? That she that woman in a sense and whatever. And then me tell her this already. Them did an interview Jack Nicholson, the famous actor Jack Nicholson. And when him did there with Angelica Houston, who's another famous actress.
Famous actor.
Yeah, him used to burn her for left, right, and center. So them I interview him and them I say, Jack, Angela said, boy, she couldn't take a lie them with you and whatever and thing like that. And the whole of a lie. And Jack Nicholson said, yeah, because Ashima did love. So I lied to her. But all the other women I had, I told them the truth.
I know, say, you talking right now.
Yeah.
If we as man, to be honest, that's something where we practice, Because you see, for the man them where quote unquote Jamaican galleys. We have a bag of girl out the road. You see that one woman where you love, you don't want to hurt her, So to you, the lie is what's going to comfort her and keep her there, But you see them out the road, them a know when you and the woman a yard have problem, and you better not call them phone because guess what? Me can't take care of me and my woman.
No, like the real player them too. Like what Jack Nicholson say. All when them respect the person who out the road and whatever. I love the person out the road. The real player them just say, no, but some live with so and so and would not, boom bam bam whatever boom. Yes, so them I tell she the truth, you understand? And say some of them woman them say, no, them rather that. How many times you hear woman say, just tell me the truth and make me know where I work with and me will know if I want to stay there or leave, Yeah.
You see one post it on her status the other day, Raga.
Yeah.
She said, if you're married and I look me, just tell me you have a wife. We have a better chance.
Exactly. And them may not work with it, but them I say at least me know where I work with and things like that. And so some of them women they say it. Some I say there's a logic there but instinctively you have those who say, no, if you're lying, then that's bad. Then you don't respect me and whatever. But so it took me a while to understand that logic, with some women. And then it go back now. If we juxtapose it back now with what we're saying, is like, like you're a lady there now. She said, but him never confront me.
Never.
Him never did confront me. So if him never confront me and nothing never say, it not mean say it happened.
I can know. Never making people them laugh after me now.
Yeah.
Cause what you know, that was the first incident with her, you know.
Yeah.
I say the second incident now.
Oh God,
You know,
damn! No, you're lying. There was another one.
No man, I'm a bridge. One bridge, you know, me and him go school together and we roll together. From where I go school together, them say, them you know we have 3 the hard way and 3 musketeers. We couldn't find a third person, so 2 the hard way and 2 musketeers. Them used to call with.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, say, him go college, done college, and you know we are roll together same way. Him was one of them where they tell me say me for confront her a mass camp and thing. Couple of years after the incident, we find out that him and her do the things them.
Oh no, liar there. For how long him and her did I go on with this something then?
Well, I got me find out when them both 1 year and couple months into it, you know. I don't know if nothing they are going before the period when me find out, you know. But here how them get for start do a thing. Him and her start work at the same place. And because him have him a stronger educational background, you know, him become a supervisor and I think. And because all of live in the same little community, you know, say I drive go work that and drive come home. So sometimes the car just automatically stop midway and things go on. You know them way there?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
and one night when you know they have Claro free, when Claro they come up with them free night business.
I remember. Mm-hmm.
You know, say me and her used to live on the phone at night time, right? And I notice say me now get no call again. And things just start get cold up, you know. So one day we there go country. Me and him for go country, go watch a football match. And we there down. Me notice say him kind of little, you know, uneasy. But me not pay it no mind. Me notice say when the football match done, now him a go say to me say, boy, you have to go drive go down, you know, cause him tired and thing. So me take the steering wheel. Whole journey boy they put on phone, you know, I got big lyrics and him a chat out years and thing and so me I say, oh, me not hear from my woman and my virgin and you woman. Then one
So at the time you say you not hear from your woman, but him did hear from female woman. Not only that, him tell you say you have to drive because him need to talk to female woman. Yes, man, have a focus, man. This is important. Hello.
You know, say Raga, me don't know what happened, but in face. Go press some button on the screen. Cause remember when Clara come at them first come with touch screen, you know. If you don't remember good, when Clara come at them first come with touch screen, then Nokia thing and them Samsung thing and thing.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
So the face go touch something, Raga.
Yeah.
And the only thing me know and my girl voice me hear in my ears. How far na reach? You either not drop your home yet. I say, wait, I know my catty voice that. And the whole journey, I say something, you know, but me daddy and me are driving, you know, me a play over with me ear in my voice, in my head. And me I say, probably I just female girl, probably sound like my girl. You see, the next day, Raga, we go ball ground, go play ball. Left my phone in the yard. And me did for call her if you come meet me for some money. So me say, oh, lend me a phone, make me make a call, you know. I go so now and take the phone, Raga. You see, as me punch in the number at night, a fear name come up. Honeydew. And that the man save her name as Honeydew. So me I say,
No, hold on. When save her name, man?
Honeydew.
And I feel now that means that she did sweet, you know. She's sweet. Yeah, man, she's sweet. And you know, so them so only good for you too, you know, so only healthy for you. She's sweet, you know. So
Only do I least have my problem, you know. I was called send off, you know. And my girl answer and say, yes, babe. Normally when you call her, hello, where you want? Hello, where you want? At them style, me I get in a Raga when me I call you off of this bedroom phone. Hello, babes. You alright?
Jano.
And she say, should I call him name and say, hello? And I say, no, man. I mean this man. I want him. And she say, oh, you know, like she a think what you say, Raga. I say, what you know? I know that me I call you about still. Me and you we talk about that and thing.
So what you didn't make she come for your money?
No man, Raga.
Okay, good. Oh God. No man, me the kind of say, no man, I say, John, when any they get knocked with the only do and still make she come do money, would I tell you straight? Me I say, dog, you know, I lose half of you do.
Raga, when me dep on the phone and me say to her, say, Raga, you know, say that thing the way you forget, it not reach me. Them time me have the money fall up in my pocket, Raga.
Right.
And me I say to her, say, the thing not reach me. When it reach me, me make you get it. Raga, I take me about 2 months to accept what them say. And me remember my uncle. And my uncle him travel off. Him did come and me and tell him my vibes. And my uncle said to me, say, that we don't know no love take up them little butter years. Yeah. First me ever the year all that talk about butter years.
No man, a long time thing. They take out the butter years, girl.
Take up the butter years, girl, and I turn them in a lady.
Yeah.
And I say, uncle, what you mean by that? Him say, you try with them girl too much. The man say, oh, you need to put yourself in a position where class is class. You understand? And me and him all a big man reason. And so come to my senses and I could have go to her. Raga, so when I go to her, you know a girl look at me and tell me, say,
what?
She 3 months pregnant. And she not sure if I for me or if I for him. So me must clutch. I last conversation we have to this day, Raga.
No, not so you need
to baby can't born, Raga.
What? I know the baby can. No, she'll sample. No, she'll sample.
No, man, I tell her, she said me to clutch start to 3 months pregnant and she don't know who. Because remember, you know, me and her don't talk about it already. Because we reason about it after the whole thing, you know. And I tell her, say, oh, a big disrespect that, and she tell me about she's sorry. Till all one at the time, Raga, my mother tell me, say me wicked. Because home girl show up at my mother's house. And my mother called me and my mother said to me, say, she not eat, and also me used to her, she maga down. And so you see, to me as a man, me not really want to put my mother in a certain uncomfortable position and give her the details, them, Raga. I just said to her, say, mommy, sometime a man have to do what a man have to do.
See,
you understand?
But you know what she did up to this, though, don't?
Yeah, man.
Nah, man, she said, I saw them woman they work, you know, man do it too, but we are talking about she, you know. She said, like, you really reach a point where you have a Lego, you know, like you might Lego, and the money I go and whatever. I don't know, she probably have, you know, she probably did care about it to some degree, and she just want her, you know, the phrase, her cake and eat it too.
1 week she not eat for. And she did maga down for 3 in a Raga.
Nah, man, she didn't want just keep you there, man. Classic thing then tell about them a breed for your stay there and whatever. Yeah, but man. She tell us, say, you need to stay in the waiting room, you know, because we don't know what is. Yeah, about 6 months we go, come 3 months.
Yeah, man, but I know that baby they can't born, Raga. Well, I see her a couple times after that and the belly never get big no.
No, but when I ask you though,
yeah,
after she tell us that she pregnant and whatever, you know they still dugu?
No, man, me tell you, say last time me and her talk, Raga.
Okay.
Last time. Me no put back a foot near her, Raga. Me tell you the truth, man.
And she never have no baby?
No, she never have no baby. She never have no baby because me and her sister they end up there after in a Raga. So her sister show me, say, I'll know your youth no born yet. And she tell me, say...
Whoa. What you just say?
Yeah, man, me draw for the sister, man, Raga.
You know, so the 2 hours I see him. You know, the 2 hours across is I like, you know. The 2 hours across is I like, man. May I tell you straight, man, because she is a player and you is what's a player.
Raga, remember, you know, me and her they stop talking, you know.
It's her sister. Our sister. We have to try fix it up now too. Our sister.
I gotta say go sometime, you know.
The sister just at school too and whatever.
No, man, the sister just fall for the loving, you know. I just the realness she fall.
No, his sister wicked too. His sister wicked.
I don't know, man. You know what? To tell you the truth in a Raga. I knew the sister before I knew her, you know.
What does that have to do with the fact that you did there with she and then go there with the sister?
Let me not justify everything.
Yeah, just. Oh, yeah. This needs an explanation and thing, you know. So what had happened was I'd actually met the sister before. I mean, had I not known the sister, I would not have known her. So if you really think about it, my obligation was to the person that I met before, the sister. So given that didn't work out, it's only logical that I would have reverted to the sister, right? Doesn't it make sense? My God.
That never lasts long still, rather.
That never lasts long.
Yeah, man.
No, you know, so that was a spike thing, though, where you go for the sister, though. Don't talk it through.
A true thing, man.
Yeah.
And that make the relationship never last because we realize that in the relationship, we keep on a talk about her sister and when me and her sister go through, and it became very unhealthy. You understand? And one more time you come in and you want to cuddle and just have little good times and talk about some little thing. Yeah, man, every time.
No, but you mean that did happen before because I said the last time you talked to her when she tell us she's pregnant. So that with the sister thing that never come up after that, obviously, right?
No, man, then let me tell you something draw for the sister after Raga.
No, but that thing that way you say you did a talk about the sister and that make the Oh, so this did happen before and that led to the separation?
Yeah, man. So me and the sister start talk after, right?
Yeah.
So you know, so from time to time she'd tell me about her sister and I said the baby not born yet. And then every now and again we'd have some conversation. She bring up something about the sister. Alright, Raga, remember one night time me and her do the things them. And put her a particular way, and when me put her, she a go look at me and say, I saw sister bad. Them look something there, the kind of uncomfortable.
No, but when I not understand, you say when she did tell you about the belly, that was the last time you talked to her. And then you go talk to the sister, you go there with the sister after.
Right.
So when I said, I'm confused there, so if that was the last time you talked to her, or you talked to the sister after.
Me and the sister talk about her. So it may I say it make the relationship uncomfortable because it's like.
Oh, with you and the sister?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
me understand now. Oh,
yeah.
Okay, sorry. When you did that, that make it no work. Me think you did that talk about she. So yeah, so when you're there with the sister now, when you and the sister do so now, the sister we are asked about her sister?
Exactly. Them little style, like she want to compare herself.
What she say?
And she say. So she all a cook and she just say, I bet says it's never cook like this before. Them little something there is like she never comfortable for say. Me I see her in her own light. She just want to know if me I see her like her sister and I compare herself. You know, so it start become uncomfortable, Raga.
Yeah, no, not only that. It there is something a little cringy and creepy about that too, you know.
Man.
Because there is some sibling thing that go on there, so we're really serious and sitting and whatever. And like, you know, she's like, say, it looked like when she got there with you, you know, the comparison thing that there was something that go on there, but she did want more than her sister, you know?
Yeah, for real, man.
Yeah. So me they say you go revenge and go for the sister, but it look like the sister did I use you forget that she even more so. Damn. Yo, amongst the whole line, it was like just dysfunctionality, like on multiple levels, just like layers and layers and layers and layers of like dysfunctionality and craziness are going between you and whatever. No, because a sibling something they can't serious, you know, me I tell you, me see something going on and thing, like some hatred and bad mind and thing going on between sibling we go up on another level, you know, man. That man. Yeah.
But what's strange about it in Raga? Throughout everything, you know, the two sisters, them, just like how the caller before, they tell us, say, our mother and our sister not talk. Two of them are friends, man, then close same way.
Right,
nothing
true.
Not change.
Right, true.
Right, true. Them not change, so, you know, I don't know Raga, but I tell them the uncomfortable, man. Because I tell her, say, the first time she bring it up when we are sort out Raga, man. And I tell her, say, when she look over her shoulder, me I look in her eye and me I expect to hear something nice in her Raga. Then I saw my sister the bad. Me I say, where that come from? You know, vibes broke. I say, where that just drop in.
Yeah.
You train for this all your life and you gone on the track now and you run and a this you come get. That
You know, sound right at all. You don't know what could have gone on this.
Yeah,
Anyway, drop that dog. You need to go write a book.
Yes, everybody tell me that.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. That's a word, you know.
Respect, man, and bless
Yeah,
up
man,
there.
bless up, you know, respect. And what do I call from? Up here?
No, man, Jamaica.
Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man. Respect
Yeah, man,
and
bless
here,
up,
sir.
man.
All right, manners, cool.
Yeah, man.
Diligence, soldier, you know, general just talk. What Squeaky there? No, big and serious. Squeaky, where you there? Hey, Squeaky, you know, say you're general in this, you know, Squeaky. You can't make Squeaky with the second motor over here in a thick skin and broad back do it, you know. So if look a beat and reach your Squeaky, that just means that we rate you and we'll see you. You understand? So Squeaky, man, I want you to disappear from me, you know. Squeaky, I want you forward, man. I want me to you, Squeaky. You know, say you're a G round here. Squeaky, from yesterday, they look up, you know, she name the rollout pan and thing and whatever and sit now, yeah. Squeaky, you can't make that. You can't make Tracy make you run out of this, you know. Squeaky, you have to come for Tracy, you know, Squeaky. Yeah. Squeaky, the most important thing woman loving a man is confidence, you know. So you can't just go wilt way and when look at pressure reaching. You know, I want me to you, Squeaky. When woman a kick up and a go and like say them all want this, you Squeaky, you have to talk up if you want them and thing and whatever, you know. Squeaky have to come back for Tracy. Because Tracy has stubborn up a thing like she don't know, so you are the thing. Squeaky, where you there forward, Squeaky? I want me to you. Yeah. Navlet, you miss it yesterday, man. No one Tracy roll out past Squeaky and Tracy never called Squeaky name, you know. She talk about somebody and one dirty man. One dirty man. Tracy never called Squeaky name, you know, Navlet. Tracy did just attack and one dirty man, one disgusting dirty man named Ragashanti. Go ball up about, you know, say a Squeaky attack, and then Tracy go laugh and confirm it and thing and whatever. That little stinker, Ragashanti, is him go call Squeaky name, because Tracy did a talk about somebody and never call Squeaky name, and Raga go jump and call Squeaky name. That piece of crap, Ragashanti. Squeaky forward, man. How you have to do that? How you going, Squeaky? How you have to Squeaky? You know, say you're TamFam right, you know, and thing, and you think lock and serious. How you have to Squeaky? Go easy, man. Squeaky, you know the secret to woman and thing? The main thing, you have to have money, in, and if you can have look this, look looks, and if you have one house and one car, all of them things that count. But Squeaky, you know the most important thing to woman, Squeaky? Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence and self-assurance, Squeaky. You have to have that confidence thing, the Squeaky. So all when Squeaky ever see all some people they look like them pop down and all them thing and whatever, and a them say man and a them say woman and whatever, them just confident and full of vibes, and them just draw people to them. Draw people to them because people feel good in a them company. Nothing is more effective at winning over people than when them feel good around you. To the point where y'all have some woman say, I love money, I love money, I love money. But them have a broke man. Where anytime them round that broke man there, them feel good. And them always a go around that broke man there because them just feel good around the broke man. And then we talk about it, I don't even know why I chat to that dirty boy. I don't even have peace in him. This and that, and don't even have this and that. And you know, when I do whatever get on my nerves and all them something there, whatever, this and that. Me don't know that must over them over me and tie me to him and then chat all kind of fat, but then still go around there because that broke man is so confident and full of so much vibes that the woman them feel good around him. You have to have that something that's Squeaky. Okay? You have to have that confidence there. Yeah. You win all the while. Listen to old man Raga. You know, so that call you see them make me all afraid for say me an old man. John, when I call her yesterday, you know, them two call of them, well, three. Even the last one, when they make me all afraid for say me an old man right and which I am. Okay. Don't go on it. Yo, people, I'm showing you something real quick before I go on because, yeah, I want to show them something or whatever. Oh, I'm going to buy the rose them and bring them next week. Okay, I just make you know. You know, so I have to be careful there, so. I don't see it on my phone, you know. I can't know it. And one day I said, but wait, now my phone that I suppose it go ring and all, some name go come up. But I want to show you some weird thing. All right, this is the first one, right? First of all, TikTok are the busiest platform ever in terms of your inbox. I don't answer them unless my sister or somebody who, whatever. Because it's social media. It's not even like any guarantee that who you're seeing at the picture that day. You may have one big trapped old man in some country in Russia, have one pretty woman up there and I talk about, hi, me not answer them. But me don't know if I stylings this or what. But this person, I'm going to hide them names so I'm not see. Look like a woman. But look at the message where them saying, oh, come on, man, it's a show the name. I don't want to show the name. Come on. Let me see if I can do it. So yeah. No, this not work. I mean, a pen I can block it out. You know, yeah, because I know Galaxy better than iPhone. We don't want an argument. We don't want the argument. Just work with it. The Galaxy then better than the iPhone. I was an iPhone person before, and I think change, you know. Okay. But I just want to show on the screen, right? All right. Let me see. Mark out this. Okay, good. And then wait if you save it now. Wait if you save it now. All right, now I just want. Whoops. And then I'm save it. Okay, here we go. That's it. So I don't know if I stylings this, you know, I just want to see it though, you know. I'm going to come out of this. So this is already I tap now. All right, then good. The person name I did it. All right. Okay. So people look on this. One woman has sent me something and look where the person said. Is that woman that, you know? And look where it say. Hey girl. Now, I want to go on this so. Eh? Let me tell me, you know, I want to go on this so. Eh? No, but it's that woman and things to me I say, well, probably it's a mistake, you know. All right, I'm showing you one more now. I'm just pick out them, you know, because I'm showing you one more now where and I say, I just tell it, I just show you the type of thing them where we come on this thing, yeah, and like you have to be careful, you know. Me not answer them though. Me not respond to them. And sometimes them come with them stylings. And think, all right, let me do this now. Right, what about my name? Because the goal here is not to embarrass anybody, you know, because, all right, save this. Come back, man, show you one more, you know. Ratted. All right, hold on. I don't know if it's a mistake make on this, you know. So I go mark out the last name, yes, sir. But I go leave the first name, because I want to see where I show you. All right, then, cool. Come out of that, go over here, so all right. Let me put up this. All right, so I want to look for another one, you know. Jesus, God, I nearly get myself in a trouble right there, so the name they put one other part and thing, you know, the name in him, All right, just give me 1 second. I'll do this quick. Screen right. Mark out this over here, so too. Let me see if the name did it anywhere. All right, you know, let's show you a thing. All right, then, cool. Watch your right. Okay. Put up back a good pen. We're better than the iPhone. DJ Chris Cross, don't run in. Because you don't know, so the Galaxy beat the iPhone right now. Right? We don't know what we want to fight it for. Anyway, all right. So people look. Come on, man. Every time, it's like the name just everywhere. Oh, God. Murphy. All right, do this too. Me just, me not there, so for, me just want to show you something. I come to the call. All right, then. Okay. Save this now, right? Still better than the iPhone. No one vex. All right. Now, I'm showing you something, Yo, why this thing, man? I don't want to see that name up there. Let me see if I cover it up. Oh, man, this thing is not cooperate with me, people. Oh, here we go. Okay, good. All right, look what I want to know. I want to see the first name, right? Benjamin, right? Benjamin. I want to see where Benjamin sent me, though. I got spam. Listen to me. Somebody want to spam here. And I know, say one time, so for a long time, them give me all kind of stylings when I go so, So for a long time, people talk all kind of things about Raga when I go so. Raga this and Raga that. I'm going to pay them the mind and think about it. Yo, when me there at Jamaica, yeah, man, I style me up. And I am not the type of person who do things to spite people and whatever. But them they busy a style me up and them woman come draft for me. And me and them woman involved and them get up every day and say me and this and me and that and me and that and this and that. And them woman and them for them woman come draft for me. Right? So I go through them things there, Joe. I just drop back and some man all walk and I say this and that about me and whatever and things like that. And me and them woman. So some of them man and them for, them for careful. You did all have one, But me tell you, same woman no miss my show, Me did up a news talk and it was a morning show, 9 to 12. And the woman no miss my show, Let me tell you, she just loved the show. She loved the show and whatever. And he beat me. And I don't know what going on between them and whatever. She goes a boom and step to me and whatever because, she just never like what I do and whatever. You understand? So he did have this brother here. This was Facebook though. And him come, B-man, Raga, B-man. He must send these messages to me, I mean, I'm not paying him no mind. B-man, yeah, B-man, and this and that. But usually them come with a look of foolishness and them let it go and move. But he never let it go. And the dog go on for months and months and months. And he just get up every day and style me and this, me and that, me and B-man and whatever. And one day, me just go so boom and it's like somebody say, oh, you think me know I want to go on, I'm an answer. I'm say, bossy, you there come every day as time I'm some gear and you cuss me some gear and all them something there one. But me know say you gear and you feel me out. If you say, oh, me I go respond to you. But me not have nothing against gear people. Live your life, my G. Live your life, man. But, me notice where me kind of figure out where you come at me and you juggle them and you keep on and it. But just know, I don't nothing against gay people. I say, I know my thing, your thing, and whatever, but I see the way you come at me and whatever, and you try to get a certain kind of response, but I'm to feel me and to say what is what and thing. But big man, live your life, man, and be happy and thing. Me no hate you. No reason for hate you. Me no know you and nothing and thing. Me no hear nothing from him for about 3 days, and then after. Me say the man I do this months, be a styling, and him say, all right, Raga, you're good, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. All right, respect and thing. I understand your blessings here and respect for your, so you understand. And he was just cool after, and him not bother me after that. Not bother me after that. Him just cool after that. So sometimes the people come at you certain way and whatever, them come under Sykes, Listen to me, listen to Mas Raga now. You see the people them who get up every day and burn out something, every day them just depend on something there, and them if you're careful. You see the people them who get up every day and them have this compulsion and this need for burn out this every day, and them have to announce to the world who they are. Because by burning out the thing, what them communicate to the world is saying, I am not this. So by condemning this thing, them have this need to communicate to the world. Them have this need to make the world know. In a fin mind, they're creating a facade to fool the world. And sometimes it is conscious and sometimes it is unconscious. But you see the people them who the loudest with something, very often they are not the ones who are it. Like you can use a literal example to pretty people not have to tell us that them pretty. Them not have to say it. Them go out there and people know them pretty. People relate to them like them pretty. Them don't have to say it. Them not have to announce it and them pretty, them pretty, them pretty. Real money, man. Them not getting at this thing to announce that them have money. So much so that woman can look on a real money man in a t-shirt and jeans and one sneakers and just know that that man they a money man. Ask the woman them if I lie me and tell. Ask the woman them. All right, looking at the chat. Me don't even ask them yet, but looking at the chat and see if I lie me. See it there? True. Facts. True. Real, the woman them can tell you, real money man now for OD with all them jewelry and this and that and whatever. And woman can know when a man a OD with this and that for announce him have money. If you have money, you do have to announce you have money. Woman can just know. Right? So anytime you see somebody I go too hard and announce and I burn out this and them feel it, nothing wrong if you disagree with something and say, no, I'm burn out that. But you see when them just dip on it every day, it's just, trust me. And them always have some insecurity. There's something to hide right there. So. Even in a relationship, woman can tell you. Some man a idiot man, and woman will pick it up, Anytime them woman all hear a man just get up every day and a burn out them woman over this and a burn out them woman over this. So ask any woman right away in a fit them mind, them say, say I'm going with something over this. So do. You know I'm going with something over there. Ask the woman them if I lie. Let me see if I lie. Let me see if them are going to say what the woman them are going to say. Woman catch them man all the while because the man them OD. Let me tell you one mistake we want to make all the while with a woman. All right? Let me tell you what big mistake we not found a man make with a woman and give on a cell phone. Regular. When I go to a woman and I tell a woman how much on a friend them a gal is, but you not stay so. But you always I tell a woman them what kind of thing them going with and how much woman them going, but you not stay so. I am telling you that 99% of the time when a woman them here or you just depend it every day, you have this need for you tell her, oh, all I'm your friend them stay so, but you not stay so. Trust me. When a woman a drop back and I say, all right. See it there? See it there? See it there? Anytime you hear somebody have this compulsion, I burn out something every day, them a burn out something and whatever. Them 9 times out of 10, them a hide something. All right. Back to the calls them now. Sorry for the long wait out there with the people and thing. You know. My worst one is when people say, men are like liars. Most of the time, no, you're right. You're right. Oh my God, you hit the nail upon the right. The skins urine, you're so right. That's a common one. Yeah, man, them people, me hate liar, you know. One thing I can't stand a liar. I can't stand a liar. I can't stand a liar. You know, say some of the biggest liar them when I know of them that. Every day them get up, oh, me work, but one thing I can't tell a lie, you know. And some of the biggest deceivers, the biggest connies them, the biggest ginnal them and whatever, you know. And them are the loudest always I tell you, say them not like lying, you know. But there's a saying, listen to Master Raga, I learned that one a long time too. If you want to know what somebody fears the most, identify what they use primarily as a weapon. If you want to know what somebody fears the most, identify what them use as a weapon. So enough people who get up every day feel this compulsion for a burnout liar every day. And them always have things where them not want nobody find, you know. Yeah, man, and when them a go on, just make them go and chat, man, and you just drop back and just go, yeah? And then go and chat, man. Them run up them mouth and them do them thing, you know? You see it? Remember, when you come on a show, you get mixed up, you know, but you learn to, you know? In an accessible, natural way. I'm only for learning too, you know? All right, watch your ride. We'll go back to the phone line now. All right. Best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one have best friend mix-up or any other mix-up one have best friend mix-up or any other or any other mix-up one I've seen. Let's go. Yeah, I just want to know some beard right before the show, so I'm fresher than the whole on in here, right? So I don't want a bad mind or anything, just work with it. Cause my beard right before I come to the show and thing, I'm swap up 2 times, go up on the road today and thing. So I'm clean and fresh right now. Right? So when I want a bad mind and thing, just work with it, cause I'm fresher than the whole on and thing. Tori, I'm fresher than you right now. I'm fresher than you right now, Tori. Yeah, because when you beard only water you use, at least me use soap and thing, all right? Well, the person then come in, so I'm go get one of somebody else and thing. And Cheryl bless. Braga, my best friend was sleeping with my late husband, and when he was in the hospital, I found... No, Cheryl, come at front of the class. Come at the front of the class. I soon go back to that. Come at front of the class, Cheryl. Come to the front of the class now, come give it a one day. Cheryl, come to the front of the class, come give it a one day. We want one day, Cheryl. Cheryl, come. Cheryl, they're backbench right now, but come to the front of the class. We want one day right now. Right away, we want one day, Cheryl. Don't ever play with the thing. But Cheryl, Cheryl, I thought, but I'm not busy. I send you the invite. If you want to reject it, you reject it. And thing, wait there. Cheryl, how you do that? Oh, wait, the one on them, I can't even say, it look like Cheryl and make it evil for Cheryl and Janelle, you know. Like you can't even say her the thing them, you know. Yeah, as Alien too cute, that says she round her back, I get feel up her back of her class. No, Cheryl come from the back of the class. You round there with Chumpy. Cheryl come from the back of the class and we're bringing Chumpy. Hello.
Raga,
Yeah.
can you hear me properly?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I come off the diligence is soldier.
Yeah, diligent soldier, yeah.
Yeah, so I have a little story where I come off a theme thing.
Yeah.
Some years ago, back home, we meet this guy, you know,
Yeah.
tall, you know, good looking, but very attractive, like you. Strong man, look nice. So
I'm going to take that as a compliment.
it's a compliment. It's a compliment. Must say something you want to tell a long time. So I'm get the chance.
Okay. All right, then. Go on.
So anyway, then him go and spy a little, you know,
Yeah.
and things one sort out pass and you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you talk to the Raga, that's why I'm not come up on the thing. But anyway,
Nah, man. You're good, man. Go and juggle, man. You do well so far. Mm-hmm.
so anyway, about 3 months me not see him Raga.
Yeah.
And them time they you know no phone for make no phone call, you know. Somebody
Yeah.
come check you.
Right.
You go check them.
Right.
So when me go check him now, me can't see him. Me not know nobody for him for ask nobody. Cause we just start out.
Yeah.
So about 3 months me not see him until one day a guy will work the same place where him work. Come in at my mother shop, my mother business place.
Yeah.
I ask the guy, I say, well, long time I not see you. I not see a virgin either.
Mm-hmm.
Say, you know, say I'm in the hospital. I said, for 3 months? Say, yeah. The brother, I talked to a girl. And I will call the area. I talked to a girl.
Yeah.
And eventually, I talked to the girl cousin also. And I'm there with the girl mother too. And
Well, am I there with the girl and I there with the girl mother at the same time?
and the cousin at the same time too.
Well, and the girl and the cousin and the mother?
And the girl mother, yes.
Well, and 3 or 2 people in my there with at the same.
Three of them.
The girl cousin and the girl
And
mother?
the girl mother, yes. And the
Damn.
family find out, Raga.
Yeah.
And beat him on the train line. Anyway you want to put a train line at Jamaica and at Kingston, then beat him on the train line, Raga. Beat him to frazzle. And he spent 3 months in the hospital. I couldn't believe it. Come me think say me alone, me, you know, cause we not reached 7 months yet.
And him did that with you too?
Yes. So me, you know, me kind of shock, you know, because we put my pumps and pride, you know.
Yeah.
So
And you have your good walla man the whole time and you feel nice with him, don't you?
Let me not tell you, Raga man, 3 people in there out of the family and the family find out. So the man them in the family now carry him on the train line. You know, one bad area town there and beat him to frazzle, you know.
John.
You see, Raga, when him come out of the hospital, I look on him face, man. The man have a split from his forehead come right down to him nose, pass him lip go down to him chin. And the rest of the face was cut. I couldn't talk to him again.
Why you couldn't talk to him?
No, sir. Raga, three women plus me. and then, all right, 3 women, then man, enough man have enough woman. But three women are one family.
From one family. No, the dog did not go, him did not go hard. He did not go hard. No, that kind of crazy. So it look like said the woman, is it that the woman them never know them?
They never know until when them find out what they do. They don't tell him, say them find out, you know. They wait till him come visit the girl, because she are the main one.
Oh.
Wait until him come visit. Then the man them in the family, you know, drag him over upon the train line. And beat him down, could have killed him, you know.
You know the area, come, you know the area them a town where the train line running, but do you know the area?
Yeah, man.
Where the area name?
Seaview.
Okay, Seaview. Yeah, man, train line run down there.
So you know the train line where they way over there, so near the swamp.
Yeah, man. Remember, so the train line run from back at TG, come up Seaview, come up Greenwich Farm, come up 3 Mile, back to go right through, go over, you know. So me just want, you know Seaview, man, them I don't know, man. Them take it to.
just since Soldier thought, no, me remember it. Mrs. One of that did happen to my virgin, man. They beat him to frazzle. Family ram.
Yeah. You know, say, enough Jamaican, you know, in the macho culture, them tend for one big up, you a dog that, you know, say, I kill the two sisters, them, or I blaze so and so, whatever.
Yeah.
But me, just we say, if you do your thing, and you're smooth, and you really, you know, want just go and juggle your thing safely and thing and whatever, I think you would just avoid the situation like that. I just think that's a smart thing to do, you know.
Yeah.
No matter good as of a good piece, you get stripe and yo, I may kill the mother and the daughter, you know, and them.
Yeah, sometimes them eye on it.
Yeah.
Fine wine that could happen to me, my family. If you know my family, that can't, I'm going to pass through my family, trust me.
Well, no, man. Sometimes some things happening in some way where you just, you know, the people they really never know. Because somebody will listen to that and I said, then them never know. You know?
And them find out. Because where me living is far from which part that happening, you know.
Yeah.
And far from which part him really living.
Yeah.
We're talking about like 3 different areas. Is here where him living, the area where it's happening, and which part me live.
Right, 3 different areas.
3 different areas.
I must say though, that I've known of situations where that is happening, and the people, well, not 3, but 2. The one person knows say the man there with the other, them relative, right? And I take him on to and I take him things, but them know say the man there with the relative, you know.
Yeah.
All right, well on. They you know say when time it bust out now, the one who knows say him there with the relative and thing, she said she never know. And throw him on the bus. But she didn't know, you know. She know, you know. But through the thing come out now, whatever, then she go say him a wicked and whatever this. I mean, them never beat him or nothing in other instances. Some just I say, sometimes somebody one, you know, the other person know and whatever, but them act like say them don't know. And think, forget where them want and get, you know.
Me and person, I always would wonder if it's the mother. Wonder if the mother didn't know, see our daughter there with him. Because we can't understand it.
Yeah, you can understand the cousin, but you know, but the mother.
Yeah, I mean, understand the mother part.
Uh-huh.
And the family, all of the man them in the family.
Yeah.
Let's gather him up and carry him on the train line.
Yeah.
Lucky.
And deal with him wicked down this up on the train line and thing, you know. And a Tivoli guy and force to start up that train line something there, you know.
Carry him on Tivoli train line.
Yeah. And then Rima man them start do it because them go down through Maypen Cemetery and then do it and thing and whatever, and then it just take off, you know, Greenwich Farm and all in place there, you know. And things, see. All right. But so you just let him go after that with him bust up face and chop up face and thing. Yeah.
Raga, if you no sir, that never look right.
No.
Even if the face never bust up, I couldn't continue this.
You couldn't go there, sir. You couldn't go
never
there.
Desperate, sir.
Yeah. All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man. Thanks to that one there, Dan. And I'm saying, Raga, you saw the CEO that was exposed on the Jumbotron at the Coldplay concert. I saw it. Well, hug up in Bona woman and the 2 of them married and things.
No, so me not say it to you, Raga.
You see it, Dan? You see it?
I see it, man.
Yo.
The singer, the artist say, whatever is either them, a cheat or them.
Having an affair. No, but what me I say is, him a big CEO, right? And I want to feel, I mean, it's not like Amazon.
And everything, you know.
Yeah, man, him depend like well known. Him married and she married, right? All right, the 2 of them married. You gonna one concert. The concert of a kiss. For those of you know, though, them have this kiss thing or whatever. Yeah, kissogram, right? So when it go upon you, you're supposed to kiss your partner, kiss the person where you're there. But I be a mix-up a bus with that something there, you know. Be a mix-up with that. You have one famous one where a man left and go and buy something for him. Oh, man. And when it come on the couple or whatever, the whole thing is like, yo, when it come, kiss. So when it come now, the two, a man they beside the woman and looking at whatever, and the woman was just like, oh, the kissogram, and she look over, whatever, and she goes, all right, make a kiss. one piece of sucker out tongue, the two of them go on with, you know. So you know, so when the people them are watch it now, everybody just assume say them there. And when, as soon as them done kiss now, you see our man come back with the food when go buy for the two of them, and people like, oh, snap, whatever, them don't even know what just happened and thing. So the one we are talking about now with the Jumbotron, this a man a big CEO and married. The woman, she well known to, she married. Them
It never state if she married, you know, because him cannot give a statement, you know, because this is the statement. But she is the HR.
No, she married too.
Okay.
She married too. She married. Yeah, no, me read whatever about who she married and who he married to and whatever. Yeah.
If you know, say you married and she married and you gone somewhere, them
you
big
gone
show,
a big show and thing and whatever. Yeah, and Coldplay. One Coldplay a name brand group up the group, whatever for them thing ever cock, right? And the place have a kisser guy. If you're a real dog and bona man and thing, we you did they stand up and all up your bona woman so.
Stand up beside her easy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But him have well, she then front time and have whatever. Then you know, as soon as the camera, you see how something like that now, you hold her so and the camera go, you just kinda play it off and say wrestle her and joke it out or something other. But what them do? As soon as the camera comes, see me and she duck and him dive and she duck or whatever. And then hear the brother look like they were having an affair. Loud in our stadium.
Look like they're having an affair or they're shy. Yeah?
Or them shy or whatever, this and that. All me and that the thing, well, back in the day, man, good boy, you know, don't talk to me hello. Well, back in the day, I catch me some man, well, me ain't do that in the first place and whatever. But me, all our son and whatever and that, I see the camera there, and me just stay calm and just start to play with her and I ramp with her and joke it out and thing, at least give room for give a look at argument and thing and whatever. Me say the dog go so and duck. Yeah. And she take where herself, you want to see her. Take where herself. Yo.
I know the other lady was stand up there and look like a them friend. She just a laugh it off and put her hand over her face. And
yeah, but a guilty laugh that because fear laugh is like, ooh, like, yo, them get catch. You know, so everything, you know, it never. But them too bright, man. You can't be born on anything.
Raga, 1,000 of people in a stadium, you know.
Yeah.
People, you know.
You would have kissed trans something there and whatever and thing like that, you know. You can't, first of all, if you juggle certain way, we do this so, yeah.
Then you can't say, hey, why you not going to sit down somewhere and get somewhere? You don't know where the camera go. You don't know where it's going to go.
No, when me I say, if I saw your thing set, we do this so, and if you did this so, we juggle so far.
That's why you get promoted.
Dan, you know what's the answer for this though?
Yeah.
All of them people who have made them burning mistake then. All of them problem can be solved if them just learn from the boss. Because the boss retire, you know, but the boss know the thing them and him can teach him. You know who that now?
Who you?
Me? No, I'm an angel. Come on. Who can who you know? Who are the right person them for talk to? See, Jem say it there. Jem say it. Jem say it. Chumpy! Them need to talk to Chumpy. Yeah. Them need to talk to Chumpy. Them weak to the game, man. Them need to talk to Chumpy, man.
Me should have known that because me welcome Chumpy tonight.
Are you welcome Chumpy tonight? You should have known that. See, Chumpy are the boss. Them are idiot, man. Them are fool, man, and whatever. Them need to go to Chumpy school, dog. And them need to go to Chumpy school and whatever. Because you see, that Chumpy would have never get catch this, you know. Catch what? Chumpy nah get catch this, so cause from she I'll come lean up on Chumpy I gotta do something smooth like well, I go to bathroom, you hear me?
again, you know, I think the first thing Chumpy would have do
What you
when
with
he
that?
at an event like that,
Yeah,
Chumpy I go make sure him know where the kisser cam there. You know. I
yeah,
go know where the kissogram there. You know.
yeah,
And I go try find out when it gonna rotate.
yeah,
I don't know which side
yeah,
it's gonna pick up. It's not something that say it gonna go over the east side. It can
yeah.
go anywhere, it drop anywhere.
Yeah, cause even if Chumpy at all are so, you know, some place them have some dead part where the camera can't reach, you know, and them are doing
Yeah.
no, the camera can't reach. Chumpy would have done map out that long time and say, well, yeah, over here so me a stand up, you know, so anyone should come for me and hug up over here so the camera can't come. Them need for go to Chumpy school, man. No for them a go low. Them need, you see Chumpy said, no leaning up. No leaning up, all right. No kissing and touching and all them things. You back it down. Back in the idea when me a while, you know. Me always tell him, say, if you see me publicly a flirt and a joke around and hug up somebody, it's a guarantee, say, me and that woman don't involve. No, but yeah, just my friend that.
Yeah.
Anybody you see me and hold up and a flirt with it, because who me a juggle with and whatever, you'd have never know, you know.
But Raga, I want to tell you something. Back in the days, I saw it going on.
Yeah.
The person where you really move with it, you're not going to see you and the person up on the road a whole
Ramp and all them something, then a kiss up and a public flirting and all them something there and thing and whatever.
Your friend.
Yeah, your friend and whatever. You see me and a woman I go and somewhere we ain't nothing. We not ain't nothing. And when I take them check there, right, you know.
Check the pan road.
Yeah, when I take them check there, whatever.
It's a different thing, man.
Yeah, we come from the Chumpy school. We know the road code, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We just,
they move like family, somebody said.
yeah. What I want to go out the road, what?
They move like family.
Yeah. I saw we try to get Squeaky in a game and thing, but you know, Squeaky not learn, man, and thing. Dan, you can't bring back Squeaky. Squeaky not show up from yesterday, you know.
I gotta look for him.
Yeah, from Squeaky get the 2 whoppings and things, Squeaky take away himself, man. All Uberman take away himself too from him make that look a violation there with the fluffing.
We're not too miss Uberman, because Uberman come feel like, you know.
And that is...
Uberman's story, them never add up. Ask anybody. Uberman's story, them never add up.
Oh, for real?
No, never add up.
Well, hello, Uberman, you know. Okay, Uberman could have their ragabasha. That may I tell you, yeah?
It's not going to see me.
All right, Dad, big up yourself, you know.
Big up yourself, Raga. They are right up in the comment section, same way.
Long time, man. I'm going to see that, man. I'm going to respect and blessing, man, because, you know.
Until we're ready for after 2, now England now.
After 2, oh, Lord. So, yeah.
No, man,
Yeah.
all right, man.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
All right, now worry yourself, man. Blessings and respect, you know. All right, we're there.
All right.
Yeah, man. All right, best friend Mixup or any other Mixup one. Me just go down the line right and now. All right, the person named Portia. I hope she not Gina like the famous Portia out there. Where the Portia, hey, I don't care about no one, so I know I like her, you know. Portia coat, you know. Portia coat, man. Portia fake. I mean, I watch a show and whatever, and just with the Mixup where I go on with her husband, Portia fake. You cannot see it with her. Greetings, hello.
Greetings, Raga.
Oh, yeah.
Where I say?
There, you know.
First time caller. Long
See
time
it.
listener.
Seeing?
Enough love and respect. Then call me Jamaican teddy bear.
All right.
My best friend Mixup, we tell you.
Send on.
Me 16. I turned 16 birthday. The day of
Yeah.
school.
Yeah.
I attend school up United States, yeah.
Yeah.
And best friend come to me and say, yo, are your 16th birthday, we have to go out and enjoy ourselves. Are you 16? So back in them day, the 96 that, so that, you know, get with a little buckle and get with a little weed and you know.
Yeah.
So me go on my house now and him forward now and say, yo, me go, you know, them time that we are beep and in page me and me call him and he say, yo, I'm gonna tell my girlfriend to meet you over your house. And then even girlfriend and babe mother because she did pregnant at the time. Just follow the story.
Yeah.
And Me now say, all right, cool. I say, make she come hurry up, you know, because I want to shower and get ready for go. Because we're going to go to BBQs tonight. That I think what we had at the time.
Right.
And me shoot now, she come. I say, all right, chill out here. So she start drinking her little thing. Smoke one thing. I say, all right, I'm going to take a shower now. Him say him soon come. So me go to the shower now. As me come out of the shower, Raga, go in my bedroom now. Time me don't leave she in the living room, you know.
Yeah.
Come in the bedroom now. And me turn on my light. And she that spread out on the bed.
Spread up. But hold on.
Me know you're so stay, you know, you can't talk what you want
No.
to talk.
But no, you can't talk. Just fix it up, code it up.
All right.
But she was off a link.
She had my best friend, baby mother, because she was pregnant at the time.
She did pregnant at the time?
Yes.
For your best friend?
Yeah.
How advanced she was in her pregnancy?
About 6-7 months them time there.
And she spread up on your bed?
Yeah.
Naked?
Naked. As a damn born. Me frightened you know, and me say, yo, I want to go on here, so. And say, happy birthday, or your birthday gift this. So me not refuse no gift.
Dog, don't tell me say you go wash your baby face. Sorry, that was a term from back then.
All right,
well, so you take it?
Of course. So me not refuse no gift.
You know, so I don't believe you take it. You know.
Well, I'm to you. At 16 me was at the time on my birthday.
So you mean you're young, you're 16, and you see front layout in front of you, so you take it?
Man. So what you that though? What you that though?
No, me not take it.
All right, me respect that.
Yeah, me not. Well, me don't know what I do at 16, but me just,
The whole year they know.
you know. Wait
right,
one second. You know, so me just see something come up in the live. Somebody there on TikTok in I chat right, you know. Her name is Tight Hole Andrea.
Who that?
No, me just ask my sister, me say that. But anyway.
What her name?
So so you're sure she like 6-7 months pregnant and then go spread out and give 6-7 months pregnant?
Right, that's all. Backers and thing gone. Proper sort out.
Backers?
Yes.
You're sure? Because most pregnant woman who sort out and thing, you know, because every woman affect different, and in different trimesters, them hormones do different things, and them get horny in different trimesters. But what I'm saying, even so, most pregnant woman them avoid backers, you know, them will love sort out, you know, but them avoid backers and thing. At 6-7 months, backers.
That was her thing. She was Honduran.
Oh, she was from Honduras. So how old was she?
I think she about same time, 16, 17.
But why you think she want to give you that? Why you think she didn't give you that present?
To this day, me don't know, you know. To this day, me don't know. But fast forward, you know.
Yeah.
Baby born. Me and my best friend, they are schooling, get Ph.D. Say she the hospital, Pitney Barn. We run the hospital now. Me now become so young, I mean, I know no better. I know what me doing in my head. Me pick income come now and say, oh, come hold the baby. I say, no, man, me all right. He say, no, man, come hold the baby. I mean, I hold the baby, but same time, me I check the Pitney head. If it's in any indentation or any dent or anything going on.
Wait a minute, because you're young and have no sense, so you just wonder if you didn't make one indentation in a baby head. Which you couldn't do, because you have to go through the cervix and bubble.
We know that now, yeah.
You know that now, but you did young and never have no sense, you wonder if you did dent the baby head, if you did dent the baby head.
In a thought, I'm guilty about what I'm doing. Couldn't tell him, man. Couldn't tell him.
You know, say, I know God not forgive you for that, though. You know that,
That's Ragga. Why you have to say it so?
no, I know. When I wait name the talk you got you, no. Throughout your life, you know, go through some only for something where you want that bad blessing did that follow you. Talk it true.
I mean, I like it, true. If you really do that time, whatever, I know some tribulation must follow you throughout your life, brother. You know, say you need to repent, man. You need to go to God, and even now, since it happened in 1996, you know. So we are talking about 29 years ago. You need to go talk to the Lord and beg forgiveness. Because I mean, think say you did go beg forgiveness for it yet, you know. You confess your sin and whatever and beg forgiveness. So I think if you want to turn around your life right now for some prosperity, reach where you should have get for a long time, your riches and all them things there, you need to go talk to the Lord and say, God, forgive me for when I do them time there and things like that. All right. Yeah, man, you're right. Respect that, respect that.
All right, big up yourself here.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
The other day you bash to man, may I come? May I forward?
When is not tomorrow? I know tomorrow.
No, man, I say September 20. Me know the date, man. Me say me a forward your bash.
No, me think a while ago you say me a go to your bash tomorrow. No,
man, me have sense, man. One to you.
No, I just want to say thank you for coming to the party and things like that. So I just want to say respect to everybody and things who are forward and things. So give thanks and things, all right? And I'm looking forward to see you there, all right? Here, sir? Yo. All right, we're going to give him a name. Let me see what kind of name we give him now. We're calling him Baby 16, all right? Me hear you laughing in the background. Your name for the show is Baby 16, all right? Or just 16.
All right, me take that.
Yeah, we work with Baby 16, all right, cool. All right, blessings, man, cool.
All right, man, protection, as you always say, protection.
Yeah, man, cool. John, no. Man, I know, even at that age, I think some would have probably be like, yo, B, what you doing? Nah, man. You know, and weird enough, I'm more concerned about the baby. You know? Greetings, hello? Subscribers, we're going to have a look at subscribers on the broadcast after the show here. So I just hang tight. In fact, that time they'll come up soon, right? I know too. All right, best friend Mixup or any other. Bomba, there are so much people in I think, man. Let me see, I can. I see someone in there. Because he will go through someone. I big up the people who just follow me and take my son. All right, yeah. Forward. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Good night. Hey, everybody.
Good night.
And telling you happy birthday in advance.
It's in September.
Huh?
My birthday is in September.
Oh, dang. So what you doing this weekend? What you talking about birthday bash this weekend if your birthday in September?
Me never said nothing about a birthday bash this weekend. A cooker talk about birthday this week. A cooker.
Oh.
No, when Cooker the call in, him say he might do something for him birthday this weekend. I know me. My birthday party is Saturday, September 20th. I'm a Zura in Queens.
Okay, okay. I got both of the birthday parties mixed up.
All right then, cool.
So I got this story about you know, I used to be kind of shallow about well, I'm still shallow after this story about dating guys with kids.
Okay.
So I started chatting with this guy online dating because I work a lot, so I don't really have time to get out.
Yeah.
So I started dating online. Came across this guy. We chatted it up for a little decent couple of weeks, and then I found out where he lived. He told me where he lived, that it was close by my work, and at this time I worked on second shift. So, you know, he invited me over one Friday night. Mm-hmm. So I swung through, went over there. We had a good vibe, chatting it up through the night. and I didn't work on weekends, so it didn't matter that I was up at night. But things just progressed, and from that Friday, it started being like on Fridays when I leave home, then I pack me a little weekend bag because when I get off of work, then I'm gonna go over there.
Right.
So,
Yeah, right.
So this particular weekend, I bust up over there. I'm trying to make something happen for the
Right.
night.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bust through the door and them little kids was running around.
Yeah.
So I said, oh no, kids. So of course nothing ain't happened for the night. We just bummed around pretty much because couldn't nothing go down because it was a 1-bedroom apartment. So kids keep coming in, daddy, 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 all night long.
Yeah.
And I'm not no morning person. So I'm used to staying up late, getting up late because my kids was grown. So I ain't have to deal with that. I could sleep all day, until whenever I want to get up.
Yeah.
So over there, maybe at the crack of ass dawn, here come kids. Hey, daddy, what we gonna do today? And I'm like, F these kids.
Oh, you said
I'm
F these kids. F these kids, right?
In my head, but eventually it came out my mouth. So, I'm still trying to snooze and wiggle around and thinking they're going on about their business or whatever. They still hanging around because they ready to get up and do something at 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, they're like that. Yeah.
So daddy poking at me. Hey, get up, get up, get up. I'm like, no, dog, I'm sleepy. And I get vexed real bad when I'm sleepy in the morning and people making noise and messing with me and stuff. So I was on the borderline of cussing him out. And I'm like, no, I'm not getting up. He's talking about, no, you need to get up and fix me and the kids some food. So I just ignored it and ain't say nothing. Because in my head, I'm like, I don't know who this dude think I'm is. Talking about getting up, cooking him and his kids some food. So I just laid there a little bit more. So he said it again, kind of a little bit more, with a little bit more bass in his voice, a little aggression. I said, we can go to McDonald's since it's right around the corner. He said, no, you can cook us some breakfast. Or I knew it because I'm still sleepy. I had messed around and said, F you and your kids. So I had just got my little spin night bag that I had packed up. It's kind of winter time. And I had done slept in some little booty shorts and a t-shirt. I had grabbed, and I was wearing boots, I had grabbed my boots, and me and my booty shorts and my jacket and my little bag had got up to get out the door. Honey, by the time I could go pack my car up with my little belongings, he came with the largest bag of flour in my life. I never seen a bag of flour that large in my life. And he sprinkled my car with flour all over my car.
Hold on. This is flour like where you bake with and cook with?
Like cooking flour. I swear it was like a 50-pound bag.
Himself come.
When I tell you I never seen a bag of flour that big in my life.
You never see that big bag of flour at the door.
Yeah, no.
So So before you grab your little bag with in your booty shorts and thing, you said
your boots. Look,
yeah, hold on. But you had yelled, you let F you and your kids, right? F you and your kids.
And I knew that was dangerous, so let me just get my shit and gone on.
Yeah, and leg of the ends, yeah. And when you out there come out with a 50-pound bag of flour and just a flour your car, though.
He flew out the house so fast with a 50-pound bag of flour and sprinkle my car with that flour like it was a piece of steak that you was sprinkling some salt on.
Damn.
Yeah, and my car was purple, like a Barney purple. And it was wintertime, so the dew be on there. So by the time he put that flour on there, you know what happened.
The flour stick on Pambani. The flour stick on Pambani, though. Oh my God.
So here go me. Get in my car. I ain't even trying to fight with you because all I'm thinking about is if I make it home so I could pull these boots and jacket off and get in my bed so fast. So here go me with my ashy legs, some booty shorts, some boots, and I remember it like it was yesterday in a burgundy leather jacket, looking a hot mess, like I'm finna go sell something on the streets. And all I
Yeah.
want to do is go home and go to bed.
Yeah.
So I got on in the car with me in my little bag. He even had got a bottle of wine and poured it on my bag of clothes because I had to sit it down while I unlocked my door and all that stuff to get it off the ground to put it in the car. He had poured a bottle of wine over my clothes, my bag. I ain't even care. I don't even want to fight. I just want to go.
Well, now, was
So I
it
get
red?
in the car.
Was it red or white? White.
It was white.
White
Luckily.
wine. Well, yeah.
Luckily.
Okay.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
So got in my car. I'm like, I can't see, so I got to turn on the wipers. Why I did that? What that was gonna do when this flour stuck to the dew?
Spread it even more, don't.
So I had a little just a little peek in the windshield that I could see the drive.
Yeah.
And he lived next door to a grocery store complex, but it had a drive-through car wash in there.
Yeah.
So I said, if I get out of this parking lot and I just whip back in, I can go spray my car down right quick.
Right.
Man, it was a little drainage right on the corner. If you turn right out of the apartment complex, it was a drainage, but it had a wire rack on the top of the cement for the drainage. And I cut the corner too fast and poked my tire with the metal, and then I had a flat tire.
Jeez.
So here go this purple car with flour all over it and a flat tire going down the road. Bloop, 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 bloop. Trying to get to the gas station. I meant to the car wash.
Yeah.
So all I could do was call the roadside assistance to tell the people to come put the donut on my car, because I ain't want to be standing out there trying to do it myself with these booty shorts on.
Yeah.
So finally
go
the
on.
man came. He fixed my tire. And all the whole time my phone ringing. It's the kids leaving messages on my voicemail. He coaching them, tell me to come back. Man, I wish I would have came back over there. I would have been a doggone fool. I'm out here already with my ass in the air. Car broke down, flour all over my car, and I still got to drive home.
Right.
Man.
And that is how that ended with you and him?
No. Actually, eventually, a little chat here, a little sweet words in my ear and all that. Then, we came back around. We probably dated about 2 years after that, actually.
No, you dated for 2 years after that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
I had been embarrassed in the streets with flour over my car and ashy legs and booty shorts in the streets.
So you eventually got some then. Y'all did your thing for 2 years then after that, all right?
Yeah, 2 years, and it just got worse and worse.
No, but was it good? Was it good?
He was good. What you talking about, swiping?
No, everything, like the sort out and thing, like, was it good?
Sort out was okay. It was like a 8 out of 10.
That's not bad.
Them kids, but them kids was always a fucking around.
Okay, just say frig around,
sorry about the F word.
Yeah, the F word and the P word, but anything else you can just say.
Okay, so the kids was always around. I was off on the weekends. Every weekend he had 3 kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
He had at least 1 to 3 kids
every
single weekend. So no adult time really. He became very abusive and possessive and all of that after time passed. We ended up breaking up because he got real bad physical, and I had to call the police, and he had to go to jail.
Oh yeah, well that is unacceptable. We don't, if him doing this physical abuse thing, that is just
it just turned all bad. Like he was like overly jealous and stuff like that. But I just wanted to tell the story based on the funny part, not the bad part.
Not the bad part. So, but what were the good parts that made you stay? That made you attracted to him and made you stay for so long. What were the good parts?
Younger. It wasn't. I ain't gonna say. Now that I'm older, I probably was like in my early 40s, and now I'm in my late 40s. At that time, I had in my mind stupidly, like I'm gonna stay here to prove to him that I'm worth him not being that way towards me. and it never happened.
Never. Okay. Did you
It never
eventually end up
happened.
cooking for him and the kids?
What, that morning that he threw the flower on me?
No, not that morning that he threw the
Oh.
flower on you. I mean, like
No,
eventually throughout the relationship.
I ain't gonna say I cook for him and the kids, but I used to be dumb enough that since I worked second shift, I used to get up earlier in the day and cook dinner and leave it on the stove. So when he got off of work, because he had his own lawn service, and I worked for a manufacturing company.
Right.
So I used to get up earlier than my shift and cook some food, so he had a key to my place. He could come and get him some food. Half of the time I wouldn't even eat the food because I'm gonna catch food while I'm at work.
Oh.
Every now and again I would take some food, but most of the time I didn't. I just was cooking for him.
Oh, okay.
He didn't know how to cook because he lived a life of my mama gonna take care of me, or if you don't take care of me, then somebody gonna take care of me. And that was like always his threatening words. And again, I was younger. I kind of like, somehow I got lost along the way of holding on to my confidence as a person, and I let them words just get in my head.
I see.
Living my life based around all his negative words. Well, if you don't do it, somebody else will. So here go my dumb ass going to go buy grocery, cooking food, leaving for them, dealing with them damn kids, all this stuff that I ain't have to deal with for real.
So basically, he played some mind games with you that resulted in you being perpetually trapped in a state where you always have to be proving yourself to him for something that he never at any point accepted that you were successful in proving. Okay, that was it, right?
Which is absolutely 100% correct.
Tell me though, I'm curious though. You're here on this show, and it is as you can tell, we're kind of like primarily Jamaican over here. I think we speak English, obviously, and whatever, but you're here. And at times I deliberately slipped in a little Jamaican little thing, and you understand what was going on. So obviously there is some kind of connection there and whatever. Could you just help us to tell us about that?
I don't have me a couple of friends over there in the job.
In where?
JA.
In JA. What did you just call it?
Huh?
You said in JA. Okay, that's so cute.
Yeah, I just left there in April.
So hold on. So when you say JA, when you say JA, so when you say JA, you say just in JA, right?
Yeah, not with the JAH, but just JA.
I know. It's funny that you'd say that. Just so you know, no Jamaican would see the JA and say JA. They would say JA. I
ain't trying to lead my life like I'm a Jamaican.
No. That's why it's cute and things. So you have you're in Jamaica. You have Jamaican. So this guy, was he Jamaican?
No, he was straight black. Super black.
As in Black American. That's what you mean, right?
Black American, black skin, super black, all the way black.
Oh, so how did he compare to the Jamaican men that you dated?
Oh, Raga, I don't want to be even on here because I know it's a majority of Jamaican people on here. I ain't trying to bash nobody.
No. Just no. We keep it real here. We keep it 100 here. So you can just speak freely. It's okay. Go on.
Okay. So in April when I came over there, I had already been communicating with somebody.
Right.
Usually when I come over there, I just live royally. Go to the resorts and have me a private driver to drive me around where I want to go. That's just not in the tourist area.
Right.
But this time, since I was kind of dealing with somebody, so to speak, then I said this time I'm gonna get me an Airbnb so we can have time to hang out around each other and just travel around. And he had plans for me to go around his family and all that stuff. So I was like, if I live on a resort, we won't be able to have as much time unless we out on the road. So
right.
So I got an Airbnb, and then I was only supposed to stay a week, but I extended the week, just because the day that I was supposed to leave, then my airplane had got delayed. So they was like, you can change it to another day or just wait until the next flight is available. So I was like, we discussed it over. I was like, would you like for me to stay another week? I can afford to stay another week. He was like, yeah, cool. So I said, but I'm not paying for another Airbnb. I'm going to your house. He was like, all right, cool. I ain't know what I was asking for, honey, when I went over there.
Jesus, what happened? What happened?
So when I went over there, first of all,
Yeah.
you know, as American people, we used to hot water. But I ain't know. That's the first thing. That's the first thing.
Yeah, that's
I
the
was
first
like,
thing.
"Ooh, Lord, how I'ma wash my tail in this cold water?"
Oh, okay, him now hot water over where him live, though.
No, sir.
And then what happened then? What happened?
And then the pipes was connected to the people next pipes and next pipes and the next pipes and the next pipes like that.
What you mean? Them did that? What you mean the pipe?
You heard me. You heard me.
When them did that thief? Him did that thief water? Jesus. Okay.
So if the next people is using the water, then ain't no water coming over there. I'm like, hey, what's going on here? I don't know what's something wrong with your water pipe.
Yeah.
I can't get nothing.
And
I'm
then,
ready to take a bath.
And then that's what he said. No, you can't really use it when them are used.
Yes.
Yeah. And what else? What else was you know?
So next thing, go to pee. Then I'm like, oh, I'm looking for the little flush thing. You know, the little flush thing on the toilet. It wasn't none there. So now I'm thinking, well, okay, maybe his flush thing had broke. So now I got to take the lid off and pull the little chain up to flush the toilet. And but it wasn't enough water pressure to fill the tank to flush the toilet and all of that because of because of the pipe connection going all around the country.
Yeah.
And so I had to call the man in and ask him, hey, like, you need to tell me how I'm supposed to work this. Yeah. So I hadn't noticed that it was like some kind of little plastic button hooked up to the chain, and you were supposed to pull the button real hard, and it was going to yank the chain real hard to flush the toilet down good.
Yeah.
I said, okay, I got it.
So hold on, this button hook up to the chain in a toilet, in a tank, though.
And the button is big enough where it won't go through the hole to make the chain drop down on the inside. It stopped right on the outside of the tank.
Oh, so you did have to put your hand in a tank then for lift it up for flush it? You say you'd have to dry it really hard. You have to dry it really hard.
But before he had came in there to show me what to do, that's what I thought how the toilet worked. You had to take the thing off, the lid off of the tank and pull the chain up. So here's me. I got long nails. So I had just used my nail to grab that chain and pull it up because I didn't want to put my hand in there.
Yeah.
But I still had to learn how to work the doggone toilet, so I had to ask him. So that was awkward. And the next thing is, we went out and we came back in late. Now you got to be moving the current from room to room. Unplug this and plug it over here and take it out of here and plug it over here and put it over here and take it out over here and put it over there.
What are you talking about? What do you got to move?
The current.
The current?
Current.
No, but why you had to move the current? What do you mean the current? What are you referring to as
the current, the electricity.
But how do you move the electricity? What do you?
You got to unplug it from this. This is stitch a cord and put it over here, and this is stitch a cord and put it over here to shine the light over here in this room and all of that and that. And don't think that you finna go in the kitchen and cook unless you bring your phone light in there so you can see what you're doing. Ain't no flicking no light switch on and off.
There's no flicking up any light switch on.
No.
No, because what happened? You got to be walking everywhere you go with a current, right?
Well, them was pretty much.
Yeah, you had to be bringing the current with you. So that was
phone current. My phone current light.
Yeah. Okay. And you certainly wasn't used to that at all. That was a little rough for you.
Yeah, and of course it wasn't no air conditioning, so it was one little fan, one little circle fan that that swizzle the head around. That ain't enough
Hold
fan for
on, hold
me.
on. What type of fan was it? Was it a little circle fan that swivel the head around
You
so
know, the
that
little
it was
circle
just,
fan
yeah,
on the
yeah,
stick, and then
yeah,
it got the little
understand.
small little head that turn around.
Ye-
That'll rotate.
No, Jamaicans, they just call it a standing fan. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and
So
I'm
you
a
say it
thinker.
was because
I'm
what
in the
you
thinkers
referring
club.
to? It's on like a stick. That's what you said because it was standing on the ground, right? Yeah.
Yes,
So you
sir.
say
Yes,
that the
sir.
fan had a little circle that would just swivel it head around, type of thing. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and you
Not
said
blowing
that
out enough hair because it's just blowing the hot air that's in the house in my face.
in your face and whatever. So that wasn't enough fan for you.
That wasn't enough fan, and it
No.
wasn't enough hot water. But I had to get used to that cold water because I was in and out that shower like it was no tomorrow. Thank God he wasn't paying no water bill.
So I'm just curious. Under those conditions, like how were you? How did you manage to be intimate with him? Was it awkward? Was it uncomfortable when you guys were
Yeah,
sorting
it
out?
was. It was way less than when we was in the Airbnb. It
Okay,
was
y'all.
way less.
Oh, you did it more in the Airbnb there
cause,
then.
cause I'm a thinkers. I can't be without that hot. I'm not used to that.
Oh, yeah, tickers and things. So you need to be
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. I ain't trying to be hot. I ain't trying to have no hot front. I ain't trying to have no hot boobs. I ain't trying to have no hot underpits. I'm not trying to be hot.
Okay, no hot boobs, no hot underpits, no hot front. You know why your front
None
for
of that.
hot, your boobs not for
I ain't
hot.
trying to be hot.
Yeah, because you're tickers. So what happened when you guys were doing it? Was it a little rough?
It
Huh?
was a little rough. Like you just, it ain't no laying around and enjoying the little lust. You got to go just run straight to the shower and try to get a little cool off.
Oh, you mean when you're finished though?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do it like Jamaicans, a lot of
Hurry up, let's get it done. Hurry
yeah.
up so I can go get in the shower because it's hot in here.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't even like you were relaxing and enjoying it. It's like, yo, let's get it over with. Let's get it over with so you could just run over to the cold water and thing. I mean, but when you finished though, I know that cold water felt better at that time though, when you finished sorting out.
Well, it still takes some getting used to where you stand back a little bit and you flick your fingers and try to splash it on your body to say, body, get ready for this cold water that's coming to hit you. So you give a little sprinkles, then you try to dash under there right quick and dash back out, scrub your body outside of the water, then dash back in there and try to rinse as fast as you can. Dash back out, try to scrub again real good and all around and in the places. And then you got to stand under there a little longer than usual and try to get it all rinsed off and get your ass out of there.
God. No, but I know you don't. You probably disagree, but it sounded like as bad as it was, you adapted as best you could, and you had a little routine down eventually.
But I felt like, okay, so different from the situation that we was talking about before about my mental and thinking I had to stick around and try to prove my worth. This was kind of like a grown-up situation. Like, when you meet somebody, you kind of get to know them, and you know that the circumstances is different from your living and all of that. Stop being so bougie with your bougie ass, American bougie ass, and get used to some other stuff. Because if you're trying to be in a relationship with this guy, you kind of got to learn how they live over here. Well, certain people, I ain't gonna say everybody, because this was a situation here. But get used to the living and don't be complaining so much. So I was trying to. Man.
No, that was pretty good. No, what you just explained was pretty good, because I'm going to say this to you. Everything you just explained there are a lot of Jamaicans. I mean, there are a lot of places in Jamaica now. Jamaica's a very modern, cosmopolitan country. So we have hot water there all over and all this stuff and things like that. Nice houses and the whole works and things like that. But everything you just explained, it's very familiar to a lot of Jamaicans. That's like nothing, the extension cord, the fan and the heat and whatever. That's nothing to us,
Man, we grew of that stuff right.
We grew up with that. So for you to say, "Hey, I wasn't used to any of this, and I adapted as best I could because I like this guy."
Let me tell you about this situation. So the house the house that the man live in, he live on the back side of the house, and it's a church that's on the property, right? It
Yeah.
ain't even, it's in the process of building up. And so it's kind of like open, but just got a roof. So these, I don't even think they are Jamaican people, but they could be. I'm just not sure. So the first day that I arrived to stay the night at his place, so we was getting ready to go out on the road, but he forgot something. So he had to go back in the house, and I was standing out in the yard, but church service was going on. It was like weekdays, church service.
Mm-hmm.
And it was just full of ladies. It wasn't even no men. So it looked like it's predominantly women church. So when I stood out in the yard, I'm just waiting, because he needed to unlock the car for me to get in the car. The ladies start marching around the church. I don't know what the hell they had got some machetes from, but it was like an army of women had started patrolling that church. Then I guess the leader of the church had said, "Hey." I said, yes, ma'am. She said, what are you doing? I said, I'm waiting for so and so. She said, "Oh, like them people was finna get at me, boy, with the machetes."
What? Why?
Because I was on that property and they never had seen me before.
Oh, so when they came up with the machete, it was for you?
Man, they started patrolling, walking around the church perimeter.
Yeah.
Like they was getting ready for business, and I was finna be their business.
Oh, so when you explained yourself to them, what happened after?
I said, "I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man." They said,
"You're waiting for the man?"
Like, okay, you better explain yourself.
Okay.
Because we was finna get it, honey.
Yeah, they look like them that I take it to you with a machete, them door.
I don't even know where the hell they got the machetes from. Because they was sitting down having church. And then all of a sudden, I seen them marching around and everybody got a machete over their shoulder, patrolling around the perimeter of the church.
What was the name of the area that you were in? Just the area.
Hey, but if I say that, then people might know.
No, I'm not. Don't tell me any road or anything. It's okay to say the area.
What you
just
talking about, the parish?
No, the area, like the district in the. Don't tell me the district in the parish. Just when we say the area, it's just the district. We don't need no address. Where?
Falmouth.
Falmouth.
Dusty Falmouth.
Yeah, Falmouth. So you were in Trelawney. That's all. You don't have to say anything more.
Sir.
And things like that. And obviously you cared about this guy, right? Or you still do?
Yeah, we broke up because after I stuck around and I was looking for to eyeball certain stuff, like interaction and like 6 week long distance, how much he was willing to communicate with me without me making a fuss and stuff like that. I felt like I was getting the short end of the stick, and I kind of ended up feeling like maybe I was kind of like maybe in a situation where he thought that I was just going to be pouring out my money, and I didn't, because this was presented as in my heart, it was presented as we finna get to know each other, and before I shovel out anything, we got to get a clear understanding on what's gonna happen, because I live way over there, you live over here. I can't come as frequent, so we ain't finna be basing nothing around no money. We need to build a foundation, and then I'll figure out the rest later. And then I felt like the efforts on his end, based on the efforts that I was willing to give to try to make everything comfortable for travels and visits and connections and all that, I don't think it was reciprocated. So I just kind of gave up.
I see. And then implicit in what you just explained, then were there like multiple overtures for him for money from you?
It wasn't so much direct, because if you directly ask somebody, then that kind of puts it way out front. It would be more like oh this, oh that, oh this, oh that. It's always something freaking going on. I said, God, dog, is it really that many problems in life, dog? Always
So,
in
so
some
he was
kind of
always
place.
essentially kind of like throwing out these little baits for you to do something about, but it would just involve money. So he was just always saying, "Oh boy, I need to do this. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have that, and whatever." So he kept doing that, and then your
And I
your
wasn't
deduction.
responding. I wasn't responding.
You weren't responding. You weren't taking the bait. You weren't taking the bait.
Yeah, I was just like, "Oh, you need to figure out how you gonna fix this issue, honey."
So wait, so when him tell you all these problems and whatever and thing like that, your response was like, "Wow, so yeah, you're gonna have to
do?
figure that. What you gonna do? How you gonna solve this problem
what
and
you gonna
whatever, you know?
do?
Yeah, but you weren't
Honey?
like jumping in to like,
No,
you know,
let me send you some money over there. Then hell no,
nah, you
nope,
weren't taking them
that
baits or
ain't come
what?
out my lips.
That ain't
And
come
he
out of
had,
your lips,
I,
yeah.
I felt like he was kind of styling me, taking me around to his family, let me meet his family. So I had got a kind of a connection with the mama, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then eventually, after mom knew that we weren't even really communicating on the level that we was initially, mom had started calling my phone. Well, not calling my phone. She wouldn't really call too much. She'll just WhatsApp, send a text message here and here. And one day she had texted me and had said, "Ooh, I'm so broke. Do you think that you can send me a little couple of dollars or whatever?"
His
That's
mother
when
did
I
that?
know. I said,
Wait a minute, his mother
hell
did
no,
that?
this
His
yep, the mama
mother,
did.
his mother was asking you for money?
Included in the message, she was like, "And don't tell so and so about that I had asked you." I said, "I don't even talk to him. First of all, let's start here. First of all, I don't even talk to him no more." But I had said, "It's the first of the month, honey. I just paid my bills. I don't got no money." Yep. Mm-hmm.
So you think it was true she was telling that he didn't know that she was contacting you? Your best guess.
I think everybody had their own scheme. That's what I think.
Okay. I see what you're saying. So you just had to take yourself out of that situation.
Yep, and I just took myself right on out.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a weird question, and this is just my personal little quirk, whatever. So overall, you're American and stuff like that, and you experience like, a version of Jamaican intimacy, so to speak.
I love Jamaica as the country. I love it to death. I'm not gonna ever stop coming there.
Yeah.
But some of my younger years experiences on the American side of Jamaican people, men, shall I say?
Yeah.
It was real nice, honey.
Oh.
And so I always had the thought in my head, like, maybe that's where I need to be.
Oh.
So I started trying to dibble and dabble when the opportunities came around. But it's a difference from the ones that live here. What I say this, in America, it's the people that I've dated, the ones that have not become Americanized is the better ones. Those ones I feel like have the genuine hearts. The ones that's Americanized, then they ain't no different than Black American men.
Okay.
Then coming over there to fully date somebody that's living over there, that was new experience. So I'm just getting my eyes open to what can happen. And then on listening to this show, honey, I'm scared to death because I don't know what can happen.
What do you mean you're scared of that from listening to this show?
What you mean? These ladies been telling all the business about these men, and these men be on here talking about, yeah, I was with the mama, the sister, the cousin, the daughter, everybody.
No, man. I don't want you to be afraid, but this.
Man, I'ma hunch everybody. Everybody who wanna offer me the front, I'ma get it.
What?
No.
No, a couple of things. Let me just tell you.
I can't be getting bounced out nobody window on no rock.
No.
I can't be running out nobody's house with my clothes inside out.
No, you've been listening all the mix-up. You've been listening. No, there's a couple of things you have to understand, right, with this show, okay? With this show. All right. Listen now. Remember, this is a mix-up show, so Most of the
Yep.
things you're going to hear are the exceptional, extraordinary things that are not
Yep. And they ain't
necessarily.
trying to be in that. They
Hold
ain't trying to
on,
be in that.
but they're
Because
not.
I'm extra
Hold on, hold
extraordinary
on,
just
hold
as
on,
a
hold on,
person.
hold on. They're not necessarily reflective of the norm.
Uh-huh.
Because people are going to call here and talk about. The reason I'm calling is because this extraordinary thing happened to me. So what I'm saying, you're going to hear the extraordinary things happening, talking about a lot here. But
Look,
a
not
lot,
really though, Raga.
no,
Raga,
but a
look.
lot of Jamaicans.
Most of them is this. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bump and grind, says R. Kelly. And that's how these people be getting in their mix up, because they don't be thinking nothing wrong with a little bump and grind with the
No,
brother or the cousin or the
no,
auntie or the
well, no,
mama or
man,
whatever.
no, man, no. But the other thing we have
Yeah,
to listen now.
yeah.
No, listen, man. Most of the men who call here, and they're gonna be a little upset with me with this, but most of the men who call here, well, a lot of the men, I'm not gonna say most, a lot of the men who call here, they exaggerate, they embellish, and they lie.
Okay.
And they lie.
Okay.
And they
Okay, got
lie, right? I may not call them out. I may just flow and then gracefully exit if I pick it up.
And let me break
But
in just for a second.
hold on.
Mr. Squeaky was in my inbox last night too.
Who was in your inbox last night?
Squeaky.
Squeak. Squeaky, someone up in your inbox last night too. Oh my God.
For a friend request. Man, I swiped that shit off my phone so fast.
No, and it's a Squeaky, you know. Remember I said Squeaky step to everybody, you know. Squeaky step to everybody. So you have to just take your time.
His should be tired by now, because these ladies don't put all his business out there.
What?
Stay out my inbox.
All right.
That lady last night.
No, but Squeaky cool, man. We understand Squeaky right now. People just, you know,
Okay.
Squeaky is like, you know, Squeaky.
Squeaky
man.
be being squeaky.
Yeah, no, Squeaky be being sneaky. No, Squeaky not sneaky, because Squeaky very open when him a look everybody.
Open. That's why I said Squeaky be being squeaky.
Nah, but what I'm saying, remember, you know, this is a mix-up show, but a lot of people here, we're cool, we're chill, you know, and
yeah, I've been enjoying my time here.
Yo, can I send you a ticket to come to my party? You have to come to my party.
Man.
Come on, man.
Look, you know, the only reason I kind of was like, I can schedule to shoot over there, because I got a Jamaican homegirl that live in New York, and we ain't seen each other in a long time, and that'll be a good surprise for me to go over there. But I just had mixed up the parties, thinking that your party was this weekend.
No.
Now that I know it's in September, now I can go.
Oh, yes!
Vacation time that I don't really be using up so often, I shoot it on over there.
Yeah, it would be my absolute pleasure to have you at my party. And I want you to experience a nice, grown and sexy, decent, but fun Jamaican party. And that is what my party is. And this would be an amazing...
It ain't been out in a long time. Because over here in this area, you know, sadly to say, like, we had a few little Jamaican clubs around here, but they don't never last long. So we don't got too many.
What state or city are you in?
I live in Tampa, but I'm from St. Petersburg in Florida.
Okay.
And between the Tampa Bay area, it's not really that many that many spots.
No.
In
fact, a lot of people from Tampa, they go over to either Fort Lauderdale or Orlando to party very often.
Exactly.
You know? Right.
And I work a lot though, so I don't be having time. I be trying to make some money, honey.
Right. No, but it would be an absolute pleasure to have you at the. I'm thinking of like a little name to refer to you with. Can we call you Tampa?
I don't care what you. I think I should. I think I deserve a better name than that.
No, you deserve a better name than that one. I remember say based on your mix up now. What name we can give or whatever. When you go to where you go through with the mix up, you had the electricity issue, the current issue, you know, the water issue, you know,
a lot of issues.
Yeah, the flower issue. Somebody say attas. What about that? Kaya attas, you know? No.
Look, somebody said flower bag.
No, I'm not calling a flower bag. In Jamaican culture, in Jamaican culture, anybody that call a flower bag is not good. Cause I go start protect you now, cause our family now. So no, them can't call a flower bag. No, go man, we're not calling her no flower bag. Okay. You know what, let's not force it. We're good. Let's not force it.
We'll come up with something.
It'll
just come out. It's just gonna come out naturally. Somebody gonna come up with something. They're gonna be like, that's that.
Yeah.
The girl from I'm from St. Petersburg, Florida, and the people that's from the area or know the area, we call it the Berg. So you could call me. You could be like that girl from the Berg.
No, that's too long. So we can't call it Bergie.
Yeah, that's all right. Bergie. I still can represent.
All right, no worry yourself, man. And here I know I've been doing this for a while, for a long time, and I can tell you this, and just take my word for it.
Yes,
the TamFamers, you're the type of person to call. They like you, and I'm going to prove it to you. Do you like her? TamFamers, answer in the chat. Do you like her? I'm gonna prove it to you. Do you like her?
I did subscribe. Whoever said I need to subscribe, I did. I am a subscriber.
No, she's a subscriber. TamFamers, do you like her? All right. We love her. I say yes. I know. They've been listening, and you know what?
Because I'm really shy. So but you know, my little box to talk to y'all.
No, but you know why they like you? Right through, you were just keeping it 100, and people, you know, they like that. They like you just keep it 100
I'm
and
a Capricorn.
say what.
Anybody that's on here is a Capricorn. We don't lie. We don't sugarcoat. We straightforward, and that's it. And that's all.
No, but here's the thing. I'm gonna say this to you though. I can tell you though, at the beginning, your first mix-up, when you're like F them kids, they didn't like you.
Yeah, but then after you heard my explanation.
No, but after you talk more, I know them. I know Jamaicans enough, you know. You see, once you get in that F them kids thing, I could tell you that they didn't like you. And then once you talk, and you're going at everything and you go over whatever, I know them, they start to like you. And you see, they say yes.
But really in my heart, I do love kids. I just don't love them so close. Like I got grandkids. I got 3 granddaughters.
Yeah.
A 13, almost 14-year-old, a 8-year-old that's got the same birthday as me. And then I got my baby granddaughter that she is about to turn 4.
Yeah.
I love them with no end. But let me tell you something, honey. They don't come to my house. I go to their house.
Yeah.
I go over there and I bring them all the gifts and all the money and all the love and all that over there. And then I leave and I come way over to my house.
And I make we keep it 100. When you did go over Miss Amanyard, you did go over there to get some.
To who house? To Jamaica man?
No, the first one with the flower. You did go over there to get some.
No,
not
the first day. Not the first day. It was probably like a couple of weeks after I did my weekend visits with my bag.
Yeah.
But this particular weekend that this flower situation happened, I really wanted something to happen. But I bust through the door and them doggone kids was over there, bro.
No, that's what I mean. You wanted something to happen at that time.
Bedroom.
Yeah.
It's a 1-bedroom and the kids just come from the living room to the room and back to the living room and all that. You can't even bust nothing quick like that.
Yeah, you can't even do a little quickie and think and then run
you
in.
Can't do nothing.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying is that he invited you over. You were going over, and the assumption was we're going to spend some quality time together, and then none of that happened. So
you know, however things happen.
Yeah, so it was a little bit.
This particular weekend, I wanted something to happen. I was going to make something happen, even if he didn't try to make something happen. I was going to make him happen.
Oh, okay.
That's what kind of weekend that was supposed to be, and it was ruined because the kids was over there. So all I could do was just love up on my bottle of wine that end up, half of it end up getting poured on my clothes the next day.
Well, you just keep it 100, you know. You know what? Somebody put a name, you know, because you're from Petersburg, the Berg that you call. But now, and then you're amongst us, and we're mainly Jamaican, you know, Jamaican, J-A, Ja. You remember you said Ja? So somebody said J-Berg. I like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I
I
like
like
it
that
too.
one too.
Yeah,
I
no,
like
so
that one.
your name now is J-Berg. All right?
I like that. I'm gonna
No,
change
I really like it.
my
Somebody,
profile to that.
you're gonna change your profile to that. Brah, brah, brah,
Yes.
brah, brah,
Yes.
brah, 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 brah.
Thank you.
I like
That
J-Berg.
one.
I like J-Berg.
I
I
like
like
that
J-Berg. I like J-Berg. Okay, I like J-Berg. All right, big up yourself. You know, you stick around because we're gonna go into subscriber only broadcast now. So you're a subscriber, so you're gonna be there. Okay, but thank
Yes.
you for sharing so much with us today. And you might not know it because I tell people, don't come here and try to perform and be a star. Just tell us the truth. The entertainment will come out. And that's exactly what happened with you just now. You were just telling the story about what happened and then the entertainment value was there and you were just keeping it real and you had your little accent and thing and whatever. And it was just so engaging and captivating and thing like that. I just want to thank you for that, okay?
Thank y'all for accepting me. I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. See, blessings, man. J-Berg to the world. All right.
Yes,
Take
sir.
it. All right.
I got
Oh,
new days.
all right. Now, Sever. And yes, you're going to be at Ragabash September 20th here in New York. And you
Yes,
can look for your
honey.
friend
I'm
too.
coming.
And thing. And make it happen. All right. Blessings,
I'm
man. Cool.
coming.
All right.
Yes.
Protection, man. Cool. All right, people. Get your ride right now. We are going to go in a subscriber only broadcast and thing. And yes, I'm telling you, I am. After reviewing this thing over here and thing, I am not a person who do the TikTok matches. I don't do that something there. And I'm not the type of person who go and bother on for gifts. I not beg, I accept gifts when they come in. That's cool, but I not go whatever. So I think the solution for me to stay here is to for subscriptions, right? So who can subscribe, and then you'd be supporting the channel over here, okay? By you subscribing and thing, that is what will keep me over here. Keep it 100 phone. There's something there. Because I can't do the other something there. So Sandra D, subscribe, big up yourself. Queen Nash, I do take gifts and thing and whatever. My kids and so forth, they benefit from it because I buy them Robux and all this stuff and they're like, thank you, daddy, and so forth. Okay, so follow me. Follow me if you're not following me yet. Follow me if you're not following me yet. And you see the subscription have some discount there. And so I'm just asking you all if you can subscribe. You subscribe. Again, all right. It's reasonable. It's more than reasonable, okay? And remember, following is different from subscribing, So follow me if you haven't followed me yet, okay? Follow me if you haven't followed me yet. And then if you can subscribe. So I'm just letting you know, we're going over into subscribers only broadcast, sub-only broadcast. That's a abbreviated term they use, a sub-only broadcast. So we're going over in it for a bit right now. And in fact, tomorrow we might do a sub-only straight broadcast, so we might not even do a regular show, because I don't do shows on Fridays, right? But I might do a sub-only broadcast in the night. In fact, it's likely that I will. So I'm going to do more sub-only broadcasts, and then I'm talking to some of my colleagues to come pass through and give you a look of vibes in the sub-only broadcast. If you're subscribing, you're supposed to have some for show feet and thing, and some experiences, to show for it and things. So just talk to a couple of my comedian friends, them, and thing, and one and pass through and thing. See? Alicia, like, who can subscribe for me? Alicia, Real King. So can someone sub for me, please? The Real King. This has been great. This is a great evening. There's fun, there's growth, there's expansion, there's joy. We have new members in the family and things like that. Like I said to you guys, I really love this, I love the kind of virtual setting here where it's like the emergence of a community, of a family, the expansion of the TamFam in what I would think is like some beautiful ways, Someone who wants a big respect to, because I could say what I want to say. I could set the tone. I could establish the rules. Yeah, you have to have some of that and thing like that. But at the same time, it can't work if you're not supporting it and you're not wanting to be a part of it and thing like that. So I just want to say big thank you to all owner for that. All right, big up on yourself. And again, no regular show tomorrow evening, but more than likely at some point we will have a sub-live only show tomorrow. All right. So big up on yourself, safety and protection. Good night, y'all. Y'all be safe now. Sooner or later.